What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome, Austin here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or night, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we're back at it today. Obviously, we have a pretty big day today in terms of the White House Crypto Summit. A lot of things are being discussed. We just had Jerome Powell speak. We actually had Donald Trump come out and speak today in regards to the economy. A lot of things moving today on this Friday. I mean, Jerome Powell speaking on this Friday. You got Donald Trump out here speaking. You got the White House summit coming up here for crypto. A lot of things were unraveled yesterday with this, and lots to discuss. To be honest with you, I think that there's just a lot of concern out there, but at the same time, I think there's just a lot of questions, mostly raised questions, without a lot of answers to it. But we're here to discuss it. We're here to talk about it. I don't have the answers to everything, but we are going to definitely dive in and sort of see where everything is at. But before I do that, I want to say what's up to everyone on TikTok. I want to say what's up to everyone here on YouTube. Good to see you, Eric Bev, Dennis, the Gambler, Chameleon, Seiko. We got Seiko Hunt in the house here. Paul, we got I see who else do I see in here? August, good to see you, man. Luke David, what's up, bud? Austin coming in hot. Yes, dude, we got a lot to uncover today. A lot of things happened last night when I was at soccer. The markets are actually coming back just over this last hour. We're starting to see a nice little bounce back here. So that's encouraging to sort of see. They won't but anything. So okay, well, I don't know what you're saying right there. But what's up? What's up? How about those Niners? Good to see you guys. I'm scrolling fast. So let's jump into it. We got a lot of things to uncover today on this Friday. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Friday, by the way. So you can see right here over the last hour, we actually climbed back up. You can see XRP back to 245, up about 1% on the hour. We just turned over the new hour here. You can see that H bar is actually doing pretty damn well over the last even 7 days, still up pretty good, sitting around the 24 cent marker that is. But we'll see how the day brings out. We're trying to get back over this $90,000 mark for Bitcoin. I think that's more of a psychological number for a lot of people here, is to get Bitcoin back over that number. The stock market obviously came down a little bit hot this morning. It's coming back, actually. The Dow's almost reached back into the green. The Nasdaq's only 60 points behind right now, and the S&P 500 is only 10 points behind. This is one of the worst weeks since September of 2024, which is crazy. But again, Jerome Powell came out here and said that they need greater clarity on what's going to happen to move forward. But the positive thing about anything that, if you took anything away from what Powell said, I don't know if you guys watched the news conference. I think it's actually still going right now. But if you watched his speech, one of the most positive things he actually said here is that the United States economy is still strong. He also mentioned that inflation is rising due to the tariff wars. So the tariff wars obviously are causing inflation to go up. But he did say that the U.S. economy is still very, very strong. So that's a positive thing, right? Usually when you have a bad economy mixed with that of inflation, we're going to go into, and it could be actually going to stagflation and or just a recession for that matter. But we have a really, really strong economy. Trump did come out today. If you guys were just watching, he just recently had an announcement in the White House where they came to agreements with India. India is actually lowering their tariffs now for the United States to make it cheaper for our product to be consumed over there in the United States. So that's actually a big win on the war of tariffs here. So again, I think there is a lot of uncertainty out there right now, which again, I have to agree with Jerome Powell. I don't really agree with him a whole lot because I think that he's just kind of been weak as a federal chairperson, but that's just my personal opinion. But I would agree that there needs to be some greater clarity on exactly where this is going to go, and whether that's, here in the next month or here in the next couple of weeks. I think we're going to find out, but we'll see what comes up here. We do know that today is obviously the White House summit. I'm hoping that, I don't know if they're going to stream it. Everyone's out there saying that they're going to stream it. I don't know if they're going to stream it. This is a meeting. I feel like it's going to be a closed door meeting, and then they're going to come out and they're going to talk about the things that were discussed behind the closed door meeting. A lot of what was said earlier today is that there's a big gap here between a strategic Bitcoin reserve and basically a strategic altcoin reserve. And so that's kind of what the big mix up here has been, is that you had a lot of people thinking that we were just going to be talking about one strategic reserve for cryptocurrency, and that's not the case anymore. We're actually going to have a Bitcoin strategic reserve, and then we're going to basically have an altcoin strategic reserve. And that's kind of what came out here. You can see right here, this did get signed as an executive order yesterday, establishing a Bitcoin strategic reserve. So I want to make that very clear out here. We're going to have two different reserves. And again, how that works out, I don't know. David Sachs did go on to, you can see right here, David Sachs did go on to, I think it was like Bloomberg. Yeah, it was Bloomberg. He went on to Bloomberg earlier today and talked about this, and it didn't actually sit too well, to be honest with you. It didn't actually sit well at all, because he said right here that ADA, Solana, and XRP were only mentioned by Trump because they are among the top cryptocurrencies. And we'll listen to this clip, but I mean, really what he's saying here is that they got to go through and do an audit on all the crypto that the United States government owns, because one thing that actually made the markets go down yesterday was that Donald Trump basically said that they weren't going to go out there and start purchasing new crypto. So I think a lot of people were actually anticipating that the United States government was going to go out and start purchasing up a lot of these cryptos. I think a lot of us discussed that. A lot of people here, we all discussed that being a potential. But it sounds like they're just going to actually start with the stockpile that they have, that they've uncovered or recovered from criminal activities or anything like that. And so there's a big gap right there as well. So I think a lot of people were like, wait a second, I thought we were actually going to go start purchasing up a lot of the floor here on these things to actually build our Bitcoin and our crypto strategic reserve. But it sounds like that's not the case. So it says right here, crypto communities waited for an executive order, and 4 days on March 6th, Trump signed it. Nonetheless, the order separated Bitcoin from other digital assets and confirmed the government's decision not to purchase altcoins. And so it said David Sachs, the White House crypto czar, first disclosed portion of this on X. He confirmed the U.S. government holds around 200,000 Bitcoin. Notably, the government continued to sell off most of its holdings seized from criminals in the past. So as you guys know, that actually happened. But really what the details are here is that they're not going to be actually adding anything here. It says, meanwhile, all coins, including XRP, Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, will fall under the United States digital asset stockpile, where they're going to actually have a separate Bitcoin stockpile. It says, however, the order states that the government will not purchase more of these assets beyond what is acquired through legal forfeitures. So that is the downside, is that if you listen to David Sachs, we'll listen to the clip here in a second, he basically says that we're going to have to go through and do an audit of all the cryptocurrencies that the United States government owns. And at that point, we'll then make an assessment as to what we're going to do here. So kind of a disappointing, when it comes to the altcoin side, very, very disappointing. Even from a Bitcoin standpoint, very disappointing, because basically what it's saying is that we're not going to be adding to our stockpile. The only thing we're going to be putting out here is forfeitures during, basically any criminal activities is basically what they're going to be doing. So it says the Treasury will manage them under a separate framework. It says the executive order also requires federal agencies to conduct an audit of all government-owned digital assets within 30 days. So we're going to find out what all the government owns. I mean, that's really what it comes down to, is how much the government owns and what they actually do own. So I think that's a big thing here. Trusting Trump is always a mistake. Yeah. I think a lot of people, want things to do well. So we all kind of hope, we have that hopium inside of us. I think that's the human nature of really a lot of this. So, it is what it is. It says, following the XRP community's reaction. So a lot of people were actually not very happy with this. Even Bitcoiners were not as happy as you would assume. A lot of Bitcoin maxis were kind of disappointed that we weren't going out to actually to purchase more Bitcoin, although they were excited to see that we've actually separated Bitcoin from altcoins. And so you had a lot of people actually out here on the internet basically ripping into XRP like, haha, told you so type thing. But that doesn't change anything of what XRP is doing or what they plan. The U.S. government didn't say that they weren't 100% going to not invest in these things. They just said that right now they got to go through and do an audit and see what they own before they take the steps forward. And so that's actually a pretty good segue to jump into. Let me share. I'm going to share the right here. We're going to share this. And we can listen to what Dave Sachs has to say here. I think it's super important that people hear what he has to say, because obviously him being the crypto czar, at least you hear it from the elephant's mouth himself. So let's play this and go from here.
The American people.
Just going into what's in the holding of the US government, going back to what President Trump mentioned over the weekend, talking of Ripple, Solana, other alternative coins, that people are wondering whether they're going to be included in this stockpile. Will they? Does the US own them? Why mention them by the president?
Well, the president just mentioned the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market cap. So I think people are just reading into this a little bit too much. He just mentioned the top 5. In terms of what we'll actually have, again, we have to do the accounting. We're not sure, sitting here today, whether the federal government owns any of these alternative cryptocurrencies. We know it owns Bitcoin. I believe it owns some Ethereum. I'm not sure about the other ones. This is why we have to do the accounting, is that, to be honest, no one's been able to give us a straight answer yet in terms of what the federal government owns.
That's crazy.
And this is part of the problem, is that we've never really had a digital asset strategy before. And this is why we've, missed out on accumulating a lot of value for the American people.
So the positive thing, so the negative thing coming out of here is that basically said that The only reason those were mentioned is because they were the top cryptos. So you can take it for however you want to take it. But really, the positive thing about what was said here is that we never had a strategic Bitcoin reserve or a digital asset reserve before. So we don't really know exactly how this whole framework is going to work out. But the first step is to actually audit all government agencies here and see if there's actually, what they own, whether it's like how much do they own more Bitcoin? Do we have any of these alternative or altcoins that are out here? So I think that in the next 30 days, we'll have a better understanding of how much the United States government owns of these Bitcoin or of these cryptocurrencies. So that's going to actually be nice to sort of see here in the future. But it'll be super interesting to sort of see how this plays out. The good thing is that I do think that eventually, like he said at the very end right there, us not having a digital like asset reserve has actually been negative for the American people. So I think during this whole thing, we are probably eventually going to be allocating some kind of fund or something to purchase up more of these cryptos down the road. I think that they're playing sort of on the fence of like, hey, we're not right now buying any because of whatever it might be. But now going down the road, we could actually, purchase up some things. And so we'll have to sort of see how it plays out. I mean, I think that the goal would be to accumulate as much of these cryptos as possible, especially at this low rate right here. And, we're just in the beginning. We're the top 7% of crypto. Not that many people own crypto. So, I mean, this is actually a perfect entry point for a lot of people here in crypto. If you think like Michael Saylor says, I mean, they plan on Bitcoin by 2030 to get to $10 million per Bitcoin. You can't sit here and tell me that the United States government is not going to go out there and purchase up more Bitcoin if they actually do believe it's going to get to $10 million per Bitcoin. I mean, again, you have to believe it. If you don't believe it, then you're not going to buy anything, right? What's the whole point of being here buying crypto right now? If you don't believe that crypto is going to go up in price, then what the hell are you doing, right? There's no reason to buy it. But the whole goal about buying an asset is that you do believe it's going to have value. It's going to have value in the future. It's going to obviously go up in price. And so if you believe that, obviously you're going to continue to accumulate whatever cryptos you want, right? HBAR, XRP, Cardano, whatever you decide, right? Solana, Ethereum. So that's what you really got to come to your own grip with yourself on whether you believe the assets that you own are going to continue to go up in price. And I think a lot of people believe that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up in price. I believe that a lot of people think that a lot of these top tier cryptos are going to go up in price because of the value that they bring. So that's why we're buying them. And I don't think the United States is going to sit on the sidelines and just wait for criminal activity to accumulate more of their cryptocurrencies. They're going to go out there. They're going to allocate money to buy these things. They're not going to make announcements on it. I guarantee you that. They're probably going to go out and continue to add to their stockpile. And we'll probably have no idea. That's the best part about having no regulation, is that no one has to actually make those announcements. No one has to make those announcements whatsoever. So there's that as well. One thing I do want to say here is that Crypto Dream, thanks so much for the $5 super chat here. So Trump's executive order is making BTC a government reserve only for seized BTC. So they're not going to buy BTC is bad. Yeah, that's not the greatest thing to hear, right? I mean, I would agree. It's not a positive thing to hear. Kind of sucks, dude. But it is what it is. I think eventually they will start accumulating Bitcoin. I think that's kind of like, hey, we've never had this before. We've never had a reserve before. So right now we're just going to go try to account for all the crypto that the United States government owns, and then we'll make adjustments from there. So I think that's kind of what I'm getting, even from what David Sachs says right here from this whole summit thing today. That's kind of like the messaging that's coming out here. But I think eventually they're going to probably accumulate more. But I think this is what they have to say until they have a good audit of everything. So that's just me personally thinking that Bitcoin's a rug pull. No way, dude. Benjamin Carter, thanks so much for the $5 super chat as well. I don't see how Bitcoin reserves and stockpile of digital assets is bad. I get Maxi's mad, but ETFs and mainstream would be great. Yeah, I'm with you, Benjamin. There's so many other positive things out here, right? We're just focused on the strategic reserves of it. We're not even focused on the ETFs and all the other things that we talked about before. We do know 100% that the ETFs, as much as people want to, as much as we kind of dog on the ETFs because of Grayscale and BlackRock and all of them selling and causing Bitcoin to obviously go down and or the cryptocurrency market to go down, we can look back and say the ETFs have actually been good to cryptocurrency because the price has obviously gone up significantly since the ETFs have actually happened with Bitcoin. I mean, we went from roughly about a $37,000 to $42,000 Bitcoin up to $110,000 Bitcoin almost. So you can sit there and say that the addition to ETFs being included in crypto is ginormous. And again, there's only two ETFs right now. There's an Ethereum ETF and a Bitcoin ETF. Wait till the other ETFs come out. That just means more institutional money will come into it. And I get some people don't want that, but I mean, that's really how a lot of these assets are going to continue to grow. So I do agree with you that although this does sound bad right now, I don't think it's bad when we look at the long-term scheme of it. So again, thank you so much for the super chat. Paul, thanks so much for the $10 super chat as well. That's why they invited them. Either give Trump the keys or don't play ball. I called that yesterday in the stream. They were never going to pay a cent for anything. Retail gets screwed while they make money. I think that I mean, obviously they're going to continue to forfeit and or seize cryptos when there's negligence out there, like the FTX fiasco and stuff like that. But I do think that they'll probably come up with some way of purchasing more crypto. Like, again, I think like the CIA and all these other agencies out there have probably accumulated a ton of cryptos over the years. And I think that people will do it secretively. And again, even if they're doing it secretively or over the counter or whatever it might be, they are still buying up a lot of that reserve, right? It might not be public. It might not be made public to us that they're doing this. And is definitely not made public to us. But I do think that the United States government will continue to buy this up. How else are you going to accumulate it? You're going to start being North Korea and start stealing it from people? Maybe they already have people doing that. Shit, I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say that America is not not a corrupt country. I think every country has some corruptness to it. So there's probably a lot of that going on as it is already. But I mean, that just means that more money is going to come into the market at some point. However that works out, I don't know. But I do think eventually more people will actually continue to buy up crypto, regardless of where this goes with the strategic reserve side. So again, just my personal opinions on that. So Austin, the only winner at the summit will be World Liberty Finance. It's probably true. I mean, they're the ones that are actually buying up a lot of this dip. I mean, if you go back and look at World Liberty Finance, I mean, they're buying up so much. I mean, they're buying up so much Ethereum on this dip right here. I think they accumulated over what, $50 million. I have to go look at their thing, but I mean, they've accumulated a ton of money out there. But it is unfortunate that we are coming to this with the strategic reserve right now. So I think a lot of people were a little disappointed with that. I was kind of disappointed, I will admit. I mean, I was kind of like, damn, dude, that's a little deflating. I was hoping it was going to be a lot more than that. I think a lot of people said that. I mean, you can probably go look at everyone out there making their own opinions on this, and they probably all feel the same way. So Hedera Rockets, Hedera is looking pretty good, dude. I will admit, a lot of the cryptos are coming back right now. I mean, look at 2% up on XRP just in the last hour. Hedera's up 1.5% back to 24. So I think the cryptocurrency market is making a comeback here, but it's going to continually be volatile. I mean, we don't really have clarity on exactly how this is all going to roll out. I think a lot of fear is in the market right now, and that fear is, it's contagious, dude. That fear is contagious. People start to see it, people start to sell, and there's fatigue. I've said this before. I've probably said this for the last month. Is that there's massive fatigues in the market because of the tariff announcements and everything going on, right? And the manipulations of the market, 100% manipulation of the market overall. And I think that you just get fatigued, right? I think all of us get a little fatigued on that. And they actually said that here on CNBC here. They talked about fatigue, but you can see right here, the markets are making a bit of a comeback here. So this is positive to sort of see. Like I said, if you watch the Jerome Powell discussion today, he actually wasn't as bearish or hawkish as he wasn't as bearish as like normal. You know what I mean? He was actually more positive than I thought. I was listening to him and I was like, yeah, he said that, there needs to be some greater clarity, but he also said that the good thing is that the economy is looking really, really good. And so I don't know what's going to happen, but I think things are great. It says Trump to sign an executive order limiting public service loan forgiveness eligibility. It's probably a good thing that they're doing that. So let me stop screen here. Share my entire screen here. Oops, there we go. So yeah, there's some positive things here for sure. Let me get this off here real quick. And let's see here. If the government seized Silk Road funds and they released up does he get those funds back? Probably not. I'd probably say that he doesn't get those funds back because I mean, it's still illegal activities. I don't know, man. That's interesting. I don't know how that would work. I don't know if Albright would get it back or not. Retailers have no place in the market. It kind of feels that way. Yeah, it's kind of deflating in a way, for sure. If it's passed by Congress to get funded to buy or use gold in Fort Knox, yeah, you're right. I mean, the Congress can definitely come out and buy a lot of that stuff up. What about XLM? XLM's looking good. I think XLM's coming back. It's still a slow mover here. Still it's about 1% up right now. It's in around 28 cents. It's going to come back. I mean, XLM's a strong crypto. One thing that's been out here right now is this right here. Adam actually sent this to me, and it said no capital gains tax exemptions are expected to be announced at the White House. Again, this isn't like 100% for sure. This is like what a lot of people are out here discussing, that no capital gains could actually happen. This would be huge. I mean, I think the cryptocurrency market would actually blow up, like literally probably blow up because of this, because a lot of people don't want to pay capital gains on the assets of which they accumulated and or selling. So this would be really, really big, because as you guys know, any other security out there, or any other like the NASDAQ and all those, I mean, you're going to pay on your capital gains for those, right? But if they come out and they actually make this announcement stands true, that there's going to be no capital gains on crypto, people are going to they're going to allocate a lot of their money over to crypto, just because they're not going to get the capital gains on there, right? So this is going to be actually pretty big. And one thing I actually wanted to point out here earlier today, I retweeted it today, was in regards to what Watcher Guru put out here, which is kind of crazy. Right here, it said that the NASDAQ is now going to start offering a 24-hour trading on a stock exchange. So they're going to be doing just like crypto right now. They're going to be doing 24-hour trading 7 days a week. So again, I think the big thing that's shifting here is that people are starting to realize that the old way of the markets are just not the good way of the markets. And they're starting to sort of see that the positive thing is like crypto, to have it 24/7 and just have people freely be able to trade on the open market. I mean, we're talking about a lot of money that can flow in during the weekends. This could actually be really big for the NASDAQ and just for the global market. So really excited about the NASDAQ. I hope the S&P 500 and a lot of these other ones actually move forward as well with allowing 24-hour trading, because this could actually be really, really good for crypto in general and just for the global markets. So sorry, I'm a little bit behind on the chat here. I've gone on a ramble here. Misky, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member. Thank you so much for that. Awesome. Yeah, you don't do grocery shopping until you check your pantry and your fridge. That's a good Aaron. That's actually a really good analogy. I kind of like that. Anyone negative on it's not thinking. I actually that's a really, really good analogy, right? You want to sort of see what you got in your pantry before you go shopping. Couldn't agree more with you, dude. That's actually a really good analogy. I like that. Thank you for sharing that. Brad Gowenhouse would be smart just to give the reserves. It'd be interesting to sort of see if that happens. I don't know if they'll hand over that much money to handing over the reserves like that to the government. You got to think, just because Trump's here in 4 years, you don't know what's going to happen in the next 4 years. They're really going to hand it over to a government who you don't know who you're going to have in 4 years. I mean, I wouldn't hand over any of my assets to the government if I didn't have to. I wouldn't trust them at all. You know what I mean? Congress is full insider trading. It kind of feels that way. Dude, Terry, thanks so much to that guy for gifting 5 memberships to A Team. If Terry gifted you that membership, please say thank you to Terry and those 5 new members. Welcome. Appreciate you guys being here. Where are you watching, G? I'm actually over on Angel Garcia. I'm over on YouTube is where a majority of my stuff is at. I did go live here on TikTok. I would share my screen with you, but I've gotten flagged a couple of times, so I am just now lecturing on TikTok versus sharing screens. So sorry about that. Tim Shea's in the house. What's up, Tim Shea? We were promised clarity, and this is anything but clear. That is true. I will give you that. I mean, this is kind of kind of like left out in the dark as to like what's going on here. But the good thing is that they will start today. It has been confirmed by the U.S. By the White House that they will start the audit today. The audit starts today, and they have a 30-day window. So hopefully, here in the next 30 days, we're able to actually sort of see, what's happening in the, with our stockpile. 6 minutes. How can I watch the summit? I don't. Again, I think we're going to try to find. It on here. I don't know if they're actually going to be televising the summit. They haven't actually came out and said exactly. They have a Fox News says Trump speaks at first ever White House summit. And I think this is actually scheduled here in about. It looks like an hour and a half, around 12 p.m. So about 94 minutes. It looks like he's going to be speaking at the White House. This is on Fox News right here. So it looks like that he will be speaking out here, which will be an interesting discussion to be had. That's in 94 minutes. So we'll see what happens. That's 12 p.m. my time. But, I don't know exactly if they're actually sharing any of this right now publicly. So we'll have to sort of see. Paul, thanks so much for getting 5 memberships to A-Team. If Paul gets you a membership, please say thank you to Paul. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A-Team. Don't listen to streamers, guys. We're just talking about the news, bro. We're just talking about the news, man. That's all we're talking about. Chadwick, thanks again for the 5 gifted memberships to A-Team. If Chadwick gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome, my friends. White House Live yet? It looks like Trump's going to be speaking here in about almost about 90 minutes. So we'll see how that plays out. So probably not going to happen. I think the no capital gains tax would be, that's still on the table. I think that would actually be legit. So it could be very well legit. We're going to find out. I think a lot of people talked about it, and there's a lot of countries that have done it. So we'll see if it actually plays out here. Let's be real. Government hasn't been the best in financial solutions. I wouldn't give him any of my money. Do you think Davis Sachs is a Bitcoin maxi? Well, he says he doesn't own any cryptos, but I think Bitcoin. I think a lot of people are sold on the Michael Saylor strategy of Bitcoin. I think that's why. And obviously, I think he's a very, very influential person when it comes to Bitcoin. And again, his ideas make sense. When you listen to Michael Saylor speak and he talks about Bitcoin and everything like that, you kind of go like, yeah, I can see where he's coming from. I mean, some people hate Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's great. I do think Bitcoin will hit $10 million. Like I believe in I believe in what everyone's saying out there, especially Michael Saylor on this. I mean, obviously he knows what he's talking about. Some people might not agree with that, but I mean, I think it does. What's up, Prime? What's a good buy in the price for H-bar? I mean, it's still in a buy. It's still in a buying opportunity right now. You guys are over here. Tyson, you killing me, bro. I just saw that. Dude, you're killing me, dude. That's so funny, man. Hey, Austin. You guys are too funny, man. You guys are too funny. I appreciate you guys. The A-Team is awesome, dude. Always holding it down. Tell us the damn truth. Stop. Tell us the truth. I don't know what we're talking about. Let's see here. Oh, you're talking about the government telling the truth. 90% of retail gets screwed, just like the entire history of the planet. Yeah, retail is obviously a lot harder to. Retail is a lot harder to make money in. That's for sure. Yeah, 100%. Where can I watch the summit? It's going to be on Fox News. I think the Fox News is going to air it. It says about 90 minutes. I don't know if there's another. I don't know if there's actually another person on here right now. Obviously, there's Jerome Powell speaking. But I'll have to maybe it's on X. Let's see if they stream it on X. And again, this is a roundtable. They've talked about this being a roundtable. So you got to think about that. I don't think it's actually going to be aired. So that's just something to consider here. I just want everyone to be aware that the White House, I don't think the summit's going to be aired, just to let everyone know. That's my personal opinion. Yeah, RSBN live on YouTube. Yeah, I don't think they have the summit though. Is it the summit though? Well, I'd love to see all the folks joining live stream today. Yeah, Inca. What's up, bud? Ivan, thanks so much for the $2 super chat. Hey, can we get the granny love as into please? Well, I did put some new emojis out there, if you guys are aware. I did put some new emojis in there, so maybe that'll help you. You're selling hope so you get more subscribers and likes. What are you talking about, Dan? What are you talking about, dude? I'm not selling any hope. We're just talking about crypto, man. We're talking about what we hope happens, what could happen, what couldn't happen. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. I saw an AP had a YouTube broadcast looking like they're going to stream at 2 p.m. Okay, interesting. Austin, it says Putin is ready to make some sort of deal. Yeah, I mean, I saw that today too. What time's the summit? I think the summit starts. I think it starts at 11:30 Pacific Standard Time, so about an hour. 2:30 Eastern Standard Time is when I think it starts. Yeah, so I think that's 11. What is that? 11:30. So I think that's when it starts. And then Trump will come. It's going to come out and make an announcement. So 3 p.m. Ripperino, thanks so much for the super chat there. Trump is a manipulator sending purposely wrong signals. I'm not going to follow news anymore and just stack the F up. I'm with you. Ripperino, right? I don't think we should be listening to. I mean, obviously we want some positive news, and obviously news coming from Trump is, we want some positive news, but we could see that the markets are easily swayed based off of things that are said. And I would agree with you. I think it's important that you just, find the cryptos that you like, continue to accumulate them, and hopefully, we have a nice upward momentum here shortly. What's up, Blackbird? Good to see you, man. So pumped for today. Yeah, it's starting to, like I said, the market's starting to come around slightly right now. Here at least in the last hour, it's starting to come back slightly. Let's Let me pull up HBAR here. Yeah, you can see over here in the last hour we've had some pretty good momentum back up. So that's positive to see here. Even with XRP, we've had some positive over the last 2 hours now to try to get back up to the 250 range. So hopefully that happens. You need some medical help if you really think the lawsuit is settled. I don't think the lawsuit's settled. They start screwing with your emotions. Lord, I'm with you, dude. I'm with you, man. It can be a little rough, right? Austin, where's the good place on the next to get live breaking news? I mean, I think it's all over. Like X is the number one place to get news, man. If you want some like groundbreaking news and things like that, X is the place to go. 100%. Granny love, you guys are crazy, bro. This summer already happened. I think it starts, like I said, I think it starts here at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's about 11:30 here. XRP buy price, anything below it, yeah. Oh, Elite, thanks so much, man. Appreciate you, dude, for the nice comments. Nobody wants to talk about the lawsuit. Let's see here. Trolls officially in the chat. Hey, I got that. It's Dave. I got that. It's Dave emoji. It's that Dave emoji. We got good Daves, but it's 12:30 here Central. Okay, it's 12:30 at your time. Gotcha. XRP will go around $2.90 to $3, but not above that today. Your thoughts? I mean, if it gets around 290, dude, you're in for it. I mean, that'd be a rally if it got back up to 290. We're talking, probably roughly if it got back to 290. I mean, that's about a 17% increase. I mean, I couldn't say it's outside the realm of possibility, but I mean, that's a pretty big increase. A lot of these could probably rally their ways back up, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Awesome, bro. We are streaming at 3:30 Eastern Standard Time, and Awesome Austin are streaming so we can spam Fox. Yeah. Dan is super livid. Just arrived in Amsterdam. Damn, Mucker. That's awesome. In Amsterdam. So many trolls today. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I think it's funny how people get so mad at crypto, but go buy a new car and don't even blink at the depreciation. That's true, Chameleon. That's so true. Where can we watch the summit? I think Trump's going to be making an announcement here on Fox News at A-Team is the real deal. You guys are killing me, dude. You guys are so funny, dude. On Fox News, he's going to be making a first ever crypto house summit announcement, which will be coming up here in about, I think it said 90 minutes or so, give or take. Hopefully here shortly. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. But yeah, it's coming up here shortly. I wonder what it's going to be said, though. Granny Love, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You guys are wild, dude. You guys are wild. Thank you so much, man. Ed, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. A-Team is God. XRP is the army. Fox News is getting raided. Yeah, you guys are pretty funny, dude. All this stuff over here cracks me up, dude. You guys are... That's two times in a row now. That's so funny, man. Income inequality is our country's biggest problem. True. I'd give you that. It is kind of that way. We got Waddy in the house here. What's up, Waddy? Good to see you, man. Cool cats in the house. What's going on, guys? I don't think today will be the day XRP gets dropped by the SEC. I don't think so either. I think there was we talked about the SEC lawsuit, right? And the reasons why they wouldn't do it. I think that there has to be some kind of agreement. We do not want XRP to be on the bad, like what they call the bad boys list, or the we don't want that. And again, with the judgment being that they already went through and the case was pretty much already decided with Judge Torres, it puts it in a different category than those of like Kraken and Coinbase, which hadn't gone through and been litigated. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. I don't know. Pissed off. I don't know if they're going to actually have the summit. Right? I don't know if like they're going to be streaming the summit or not. There's been no indication that they're going to stream it. Like David Sachs said, it's a roundtable, small closed door meeting, I think is what he was anticipating. So to be honest with you, I don't know if we're actually going to have it streamed, but I do know that obviously Donald Trump's going to speak, which is going to be positive. The summit has started. Yeah, the summit has started, but I don't know if there's anyone that's like airing it. Maybe there is. Let's see here. Like, I don't even, it's like, I don't even think that, yeah, they're not even. The summit started, but I don't think they actually put anything. There's nothing actually talked about right now. So we'll have to just wait, see what Trump says. Paul, thanks so much for being a member for 2 months, dude. Hopefully the summit will benefit all of us. Yeah, for sure. What's up, Tony Punch? Good to see you, buddy. You think XRP will tank after the summit? That's a good question. I mean, it's already been sort of going up and down right now. I mean, we can look at the charts right now. Sitting at 48, 248, dropped all the way down to 230, 238 today. So yeah, top 3 favorite. I mean, well, my Bitcoin and Ethereum are my 2 largest bags, and it's XRP, and then it's H bar. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like Trump speaks at the White House at 12 p.m. So that's still an hour and a half from now. So yeah, even the AP Press, Associated Press, isn't live right now. So, yeah. XR Summit is live. Can you check? Yeah, it's not. They're not. There's nothing. There's nothing being streamed right now for the live summit. I just looked. Yeah, I just looked. Trump creating suspense. Probably. Morning. What's up, Brandon? Land, air, water, the control of it all. Will XRP drop more? I hope it continues to build. I'm going to stay bullish with it. Austin, where's the sell pressure right now? Looks like 260 and 290. Well, obviously we got a level of support. We built a level of support here. 245 is still my level, right? You guys know that 245 is still a good level for XRP, right down to 225 as well for XRP. So, when you zoom out on this, let's go to the day chart. Day chart's a little bit easier. Gives you a better idea of where we're at right now. But yeah, the day chart's not looking too hot. Dipped all the way down to 237 right here, which is a good level of support at the 238 mark. Like a lot of level of support right here. You can see the level of support being built up right here from about 250, probably about 255 down to about 225. There's a pretty good amount of support right here for XRP. Where we're obviously hitting resistance right here at the 265, which is not that much resistance. I mean, 280 is kind of like 280 and $3 are 2 big areas for resistance, but yeah, the support levels is pretty strong right here around the 245 to 240 range. So FOMO is the worst. Yeah, FOMO is pretty bad. It does kind of suck. Do you think it'll be more disappointing news? Maybe. We just broke resistance. Yeah, we'll see if we can continue to rally through here. I mean, the big goal is to get back up above this 255 marker. That'd be a good one for XRP. He's gonna say he loves Bitcoin. It's the greatest coin in the history. Are you sure relaxation with nature? I worry about the macro picture. Yeah, I understand. That's air saying you wild, bro. Austin, go to soccer. What's up, Selmo? What's up, Selmo? Good to see you, buddy. Rob, thanks so much for the 199 super chat. How do I become an 18 member? I think I always forget to pin it, but you can go in the description box and there's a little link for how you can become a member if you'd like. When will the summit end? I think 3:30 p.m. I think 3:30. I think 3:30 Eastern Standard Time, maybe. I could be wrong, or maybe it was 4. Austin now has FOMO. No way, dude. No way. Is this hype March 20th banking mandate a legitimate hope? Good question. What's good, Austin? Been watching you on YouTube. Stefan, what's up, man? Keep doing your thing. I love how informative you are. No problem, man. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the comment, dude. Thanks for the comment. So yeah, we're gonna see XRP is actually coming up right now. We're about to hit 250 on XRP. Markets coming back up now. Starting with obviously the news of the crypto summit starting. So we'll see what happens here. Aussie. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Yeah, we're starting to see a nice little rally backwards right now. There's nothing out here with anything live that I'm aware of. Just let everyone know. We're waiting for Trump to go live, which I'll stream if I can. Ivan, thanks so much for the $2 super chat. Awesome, Austin, for Crypto Czar 2025. Hey, dude, I'd go hang out with David Sachs. What is the summit without Austin? Appreciate you, Chevy fan. I mean, his speech will be streamed. Yeah. Let's see here. You guys are this chat is crazy. Nothing positive ever comes from Trump. What's up, Goblin Far? Good to see you, buddy. I think it's a buy the rumor, sell the news. It could be. It could be. And I think that it could have been yesterday as well, right? I miss Joe Biden and Gary Gensler. You guys are crazy, dude. We got a good old Dave in the house here. We'll just put him in timeout. Al Snapton, thanks so much for the gifted memberships here. Yeah, for the 5 gifted memberships. If Al Snapton gifted your membership, please say thank you, and make sure you guys say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate that. What do you think about Vine meme coin? I wouldn't touch it, dude. I wouldn't touch it. Vincenzo, thanks so much for being a member for 2 months, dude. American cryptos to the moon. Heck yeah, I'm with you, bro. Thanks so much for being a member for 2 months, bro. Paul, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. He threatened tariffs on Russia today. That'll be great for us. I think he said that it was going to be with the banking, right? Wasn't it with the banking? I think that's what it came down to. It was with banking. Oh, so thanks so much for all the follows over here on TikTok as well. What coin do you think will add into the stockpile? I don't know. They're going to do an audit in 30 days. So they're going to give a 30-day audit and then come back, dude. Yeah, 30-day audit, and then they're going to come back and let us know. So, Anthony, what's up, bud? I wonder why crypto boss at the summit will come out and anything negative. There could be some negative stuff coming out of it for sure. Yeah, for sure. There'll be some potentially some negative stuff. I mean, I can't sit here and say that it's like, we don't really know what's going to happen, to be honest. But like I said, the good thing is the market's coming back here slightly on this Friday. Usually Fridays are a little bit rough for crypto, so prepare for that. Stock market's actually making a nice little rally backwards right now. As you guys know, this started off as the S&P was flat, and the Dow was actually down over 200 points earlier this morning. Now it's back up 130 points. The Nasdaq's up 37 points. So even after Jerome Powell speaks, which usually tanks the markets, I think we're having some positive momentum coming back in the markets right now. So that's really good to sort of see. And we'll continue to monitor. We're going to continue to monitor XRP right now and see where this goes. See if we can break through this 250 mark. You can see this red line right here. This is a real strong line of resistance right here for this level. So we'll see if we can break through it and continue upward and to fill this little fair value gap that got left here on the 1 hour. So we'll continue to monitor that. I knew I should have gone all in on Farcoin. I enjoy watching you and Marty Lucas. You're not biased or blind. Oh, I appreciate that, Ava Visor. Thanks so much. What's up, XXI? Good to see you, man. Long time no see, bud. Hope all is well with you. Let's see here. Dang, dude, got some comments over here. Bro, Trump is never on time on anything. I mean, he's probably a busy guy, dude. Oh, I like Caspa a lot, Albert. I think Caspa's good. I think the crypto summit's already started, but they're not. I don't think they're going to be streaming it. It's a closed door session. A well transferred 150 XRP worth from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. That's probably not a bad idea. And that's not a bad thing, right? Could be worse. There's a lot of movement being a lot of cryptos get moved around right now. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Could be. Very well could be. Have you ever done an altcoin tier list? I think it would be interesting. I've never done one before. I think I lay it out here pretty good on where I'm at, where I stand with a lot of the cryptos. Choice habit. You're killing me. You're killing me, dude. That's funny though. Do you think Bitcoin will rise after he speaks? It's so crazy right now. The markets are so unpredictable. It's like insane. Swap out Charles from the summit and add Austin instead. I don't think Charles even got to the summit, dude. To be honest with you, I don't think he agreed to go to the summit. So I want to be a BTC maxi when I grow up. You guys are funny, man. Should people who can only afford fractions of a Bitcoin invest? Yeah, I think owning Bitcoin's a super positive thing. I mean, I don't think you should be in crypto if you don't own some, but that's just me personally. As much as you want to feel one way or another, I mean, it's still crypto. It's still one of the most talked about out there. So yeah. Let's see here. Dave in the house. You guys are hilarious, dude. From nothing. Thanks so much for the 199 super chat, dude. Show hog. I don't know what that means. TJ, thanks so much for the 499 super chat, dude. I hit you up on X, but I'm interested on how he walks back the included language in the Sunday's Truth post. Also about the Pure Wallet. Yeah, dude. I'll check out TJ. I'll hit you. If you hit me up on X, I'll definitely I'll respond to you there. I'm assuming that's about the Pure Wallet, and we can talk about the Pure Wallet over there as well, for sure. Moomster, thanks so much for being here for 3 months, dude. Stay positive. All send all the positive vibes. Heck yeah, man. Broken. You guys are funny. Yeah, Trump speaks at. He speaks. I think they said. Let me go back. I think it was. Where is it at? Fox News. Let's see here. I think let's go back to Fox News. They had the number on here. Yeah, he speaks at noon, so about an hour from now, about an hour 15 minutes from now, Trump will speak at that'll probably be the speak right here, or the speech right here. 73 minutes, 72 minutes now. Tommy, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Damn, Trump burned us and manipulated the markets by changing the narrative. Yeah, he did, dude. I mean, not burn. I mean, like, I think a lot of people were expecting something and tried to anticipate it, and it just didn't work out like a lot of us thought it would. At 6 a.m. Australia. Damn, bro, you up early. Dangerous day. Appreciate you being here, man. Thanks so much for the all the love, dude. Be prepared for panic. It's not televised. Yeah, it's not going to be televised. I think it's behind closed doors, right? They're going to come together as a group. There was a list of people out here, pretty big names out here. Brian Armstrong. You go down the list, right? And they're all going to get together at a table and talk about where crypto should go, how the government should look at it, what regulation should look like. I think that's going to be the positive thing that comes from it. And I think Trump's going to come out here and basically say, hey, this is what was discussed. Probably David Sachs will speak. And then that's going to be the end of it. That's so everything that we were waiting for will come out here in about, looks like it's going to be about, like I said, 71 minutes. We'll be able to sort of see what's going on here. So in the meantime, we're going to continue to monitor crypto and our cryptos that we watch here. Obviously, like I said, HBAR is back to 24.25. HBAR has been going on a tear. HBAR is like kind of wild. This morning I woke up, saw this thing went up to 25. I was like, gosh, dang, almost 26. And then obviously it came back down, but now it's working its way back up again. XRP is still looking pretty strong, trying to get above the 250 marker. It would be nice for Bitcoin to get back into the 290. I think this is kind of like an emotional number here for a lot of us. When the government takes control, it will end the bull runs. Very well could, man. You never know, man. You never know. That's why you don't want the government too involved. Rob Carson, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You are now a member. Welcome, my friend. Let's see here. I'm mostly a lurker because I watch at work, but always very grateful for your insight. Oh, Megan, thanks so much, man. Appreciate that a ton for your kind words there. Dude, the summit has started. Elon is speaking live right now. No, that's not that, dude. That's an AI. That's AI, dude. I promise you that's the AI stuff over there. That's been up for a minute. He scanned a bunch of people. Let's see here. I want a Lamborghini. Me too, dude. I think a Lamborghini would be awesome. Paul, thanks so much for the $2 super chat too. Someone said Elon was speaking on the summit. I think that's a video out there. That's an AI. That's an AI. There's like 38,000 people watching. It's not real. I don't think it's real. Is Bybit hacked again? I hope not. We should get a pool. Honestly, the market can make anything. Anyone else want this to tank XRP? No, I don't. I don't want it to. The summit's happening right now. During the Biden administration, inflation was skyrocketing. The rich got richer under Trump. Not so much yet. Yeah, it's kind of fallen off. I'm not anticipating much. Probably wise. Chad, thanks so much for the $2 super chat, dude. Charles is in Japan for Cardano. Okay. Yeah, I think he came out and said that he wasn't going to be there. So everyone that was kind of like, where's Charles? Why isn't Charles invited? I think he had other obligations. When do you think Bitcoin will drop again? I mean, it dropped this morning. It went all the way down, late last night, went all the way back down to 84. So almost back into the back into the golden pocket again, right here at that 618 to the 65 level. So that was kind of crazy to see. On the broader note, I found a pound down my car seat earlier. Heck yeah, dude. Austin single-handedly saved my second and fourth marriage. Stupid. So, yeah, we have about 69 more minutes left before Trump speaks, so we have a little bit to go. They aren't being clear about the Bitcoin they hold. Yeah, cool, Cat. I'm with you. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. Trump speaks in his sleep. I don't even know if the guy sleeps. YouTubers are screaming we're all going to be rich today. The only thing I'm rooting for is just I just want to be in the green today. Just be positive and try to get us into the green again. The crazy thing is that a majority of the YouTubers out there should already be rich. I mean, you know, if crypto YouTubers were actually sticking true to what they ever said that they were doing, they would already be up significantly on their bags. They would be up a 500% on their XRP. They'd be up a 500% on their H bar. They wouldn't be screaming like we're going to be rich today. They should already be like, hey, we've already made a ton of money. You know, we bought the dips way back 3 years ago. So, and right now, in hindsight, looking back, that's what's so crazy about people that get all fucking, freaking wrapped up about where crypto's at right now. I'm like, dude, zoom out on this thing, man. You know, it's easier for me to. I get that there's people that bought the top up here. I get that, but a lot of us were buying this, and so like we're riding this rally on all these, right? Not just XRP, all these. We're riding all these. So like this little dip right here is like, yeah. I mean, it sucks. I mean, because you got a little swing trade in there, but I mean, for the most part, it's not even like. I don't understand why a lot of these YouTubers are, clickbaiting and stressing, because a lot of them should be up if they were actually purchasing when they said they were purchasing. Kind of blows my mind. Austin, what's the 290 you speak of the other numbers? What do you mean, Jimmy? You saying 290 for what? Hey, jumping in. What's going on with XRP? Nothing. It's sitting around 250 right now. It's trying to break through the 250 marker. 250 seems to be like the kind of a little bit of some resistance there at the 250. So we'll see if we can break through it and continue upward. There's so many random live channels going on. It's all AI, dude. There's so many AI things. Be careful out there. They're all trying to scam you. You can keep the Lamborghini. I really wish YouTube would stop those videos. Yeah, I mean, they are for clickbait. A lot of people are out there trying to get views up. People accuse me of that, right? Even if I try to make the most non-clickbaitable, people are probably sitting there clickbaiting or mad about my thumbnail right now. pbs.org will start streaming in 68 minutes. Okay, appreciate you, Waddy. It'll be about 68 minutes before Trump comes on. I actually streamed Fox News the other day, and it didn't flag my channel, so we'll see what happens. Love that you're mostly positive and you just tell it how it is. Thumper's World. No, I appreciate that. I try to. Some people don't like it, but I guess to each our own. There's content out there for everyone, right? Yeah, XRP is coming back up, 251 right now. So we are making a little bit of some ground back up right now. XRP back up to 251. Like I said, it would be nice to get back to this 255 level and continue to work our way up. So yeah, 200K people watching live stream. That's so fake, dude. Send me your Doge XRLM. Everything is going to drop like a rocket. You think so? Hopefully it's more than just re-announcing all the shit that's announced yesterday. It probably will be the same thing. Sam's YouTube show, probably the same thing. Let's see here. All I know is there's bad news today. I'm still keeping my XRP. Dude, Ollie, I'm with you, right? Nothing changes for me, right? Good news, bad news, all stays the same for me. Strange that HBAR, Flare, and Vet are holding. Yeah. Tampa Typhoon. I don't know, man. We've been trying to flag those AI fake videos for so long. Even everyone coming into my stream with XRP, it was like constantly getting, bombarded with just spam and scam. They keep saying that they're going to speak for 4 hours now. Awesome. Watched his video. He is really butthurt that he wasn't invited. Oh yeah, Ivan. He probably was. I mean, he thinks he's a big voice, and understandably. I mean, Charles Hawkinson's been around for a while, but I mean, I just don't think that it's a good look when you're out there attacking other cryptos constantly, dude. Whether it's Ethereum, whether it's Solana, whether it's Bitcoin, XRP, you name it. I mean, Charles Hawkinson has done that. You know what I mean? He's grifted for years. And it's just all it's done is just hurt ADA. I mean, there's all it's done is just hurt the holders of Cardano. Austin, for all those great content, much appreciate from a new dude to the game. Keith, appreciate that, man. Where's Andrew Tate? He's in Andrew Tate's in isn't he in Florida? What's up, Michaela? A DCA down on ADA. I had to do that. Yeah, hey man, you got to do what you got to do, Michaela. Good to see you. Austin, please go on a green hoodie. I need a pump. Wear a green hoodie. A green hoodie would be so ugly. You're so kind. Are you sure you're not Canadian? I don't know if I'm Canadian, dude. Even though I do love Canadian, eh? We went to Canada, dude, and I actually really enjoyed it up there. Oscar buys the top but claims to buy the blood. Oh, gotcha. I like to watch the guys that bust these YouTubers, trading gurus on fake accounts. You'd be surprised who's been on there and they approve they're full of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think it's a hard thing, man. It's one thing to say, one thing to do it. Austin, tell us how you really feel dropping the I kind of meant I didn't mean to drop the F-bomb on that. Ivan, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Awesome Austin watched his video. He really is butthurt. Okay, I'll watch him, Ivan, for sure, dude. Granny love for your intro. The granny love. I loved it, dude. That was great. That's great, dude. I appreciate the yeah. I'll check it out. I thought I did see some of it, but I didn't see him going into like being too butthurt. I hate the clickbait saying urgent emergency. Yeah, 36 minutes for him, Anthony Hawkins. Yeah, so we're right here. We're saying about 62 minutes over here. So I think RSBN, like they did last time. So RSBN, last time we clicked on them, they sat there for like 30 minutes just advertising crazy stuff for like 30 minutes. I couldn't even listen to it anymore. Nothing against them. It was just like constant. Yeah, buy the rumor begins, now sell it. Yeah, it could be, right? Buy the rumor, sell the news. I think people are starting to wise up to it. We'll see what happens here. Where's my 2000 XRP, your AI video, Trent? You're wild, bro. Let's see here. I have a feeling it's going to be nothing burger today. Yeah, it'll be interesting. If he says no capital gains, dude, it's gonna blow up. That's my personal opinion, man. You know how much money is going to flow into crypto if they put no capital gains tax on crypto? I mean, I would sell everything to put into crypto at that point. Why would I want to pay capital gains? Tax is theft. Positive tax news will definitely help the price, dude. 100%, Tommy. I'm with you 100% on that. HBAR is partnering with Swift. No, yeah, that's kind of what it is, Yellow Snow. That would be insane. Yeah, I'm with you, Michaela. It would be phenomenal. I think it would be crazy. I've had a YouTube ad for XRP QR code scam. Yeah, don't click on that thing. Don't scan that QR code. Very sophisticated scammers out there, dude. They've gotten really, really good. That's for sure. Is this your streamer AI? This might be AI, dude. You know, see, I don't have I stream with Awesome Austin usually streams with a purple background, and today it's white. So maybe it is an AI. Ada doesn't deserve to be in the reserves. Oh my god. Borishita, what's up, man? Sam's Club has bad service. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna go against Costco. Do you think Trump coin will go up today? Probably. Yeah, probably. I think Trump coin will probably do well. It seems to every time crypto market does well, it seems like Trump coin goes up as well. We can do the A-chat thing again to May. Yeah, why not? Why not? Tate's in Miami. Is that where he's at in Miami? Wear a hoodie that looks like a soccer ball. Can we watch the summit live? Yeah, I'll have it here live. They come on in about 60 minutes. So about an hour from now, Trump's going to go live. So we'll be able to hear some good stuff here. Austin, they're unfiltered for XRP. What are you talking about, Paul? I don't know what you mean by that. I'm trying to catch up, dude. There was a channel of bros trying to sell retail arbitrage investments. Oh my god. I'll FOMO in after the announcement. Where can we watch it? You can come over to my YouTube channel, Joey. You can just go right up to my Awesome Austin up here and come over to the YouTube channel if you'd like. That's where we're going to be watching it. Awesome Austin, we pay 27.5% capital gains tax on crypto in Austria. Dang, Chris, that's crazy. That's so much money, dude. Sean Smith, you killing me, bro. You killing me, dude. Oh, man. Fostering the future of finance. Do you think Bonk will replace the US dollar? What, Mark? You guys, some of these comments are funny, dude. I just scanned the QR code and sent them one BTC. Whatever, all citizens. There's no way. Austin, let's spam Fox again. Yeah, we'll do it right here. You can see I'm over here on Fox News. There's about 3,500 people waiting, along with myself. I'm one of those. So we'll see what happens here. Oz, do you like Lux Algo? Thinking of buying? I use Lux Algo for some of my things in TraderView right here. Like my fair value gap is a Lux Algo fair value gap, but that's all I use it for. Fun fact: crypto is banned in Egypt. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Damn. Wait is over. Come on over. The wait is over. Come on over. Some people have no idea what we're talking about. Yeah, he starts about an hour. Just DCA and bought 2 more XRP. Hell yeah, dude. Mr. Garrison, 9 now have 12. Get it. Middle Eastern states are already looking to buy Bitcoin. Nice. Yep, we got a pretty good in America and UK for financial products. 100%. Austin, Germany, they pay 0% tax after holding for 1 year. No, that's nice. See, yeah. Long term, I think here we pay 13%. I think I pay like a 13% or 15% short term gains. So, A-Team, thanks for making my lunch break great again. Texas made Randy. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you being here, and I'm glad your lunch break was good. Do you see Arkham for tracking wallets? Yeah, you can use Arkham for. Do you use Arkham? Yeah, you can use Arkham for anything, dude. It's great. Bitcoin and Ethereum will be the main part of the reserves, probably, James. I mean, the World Liberty Finance is, obviously stacking up a shit ton on Ethereum, dude. Do you think Libra will make a comeback and replace just Libra? My wife was laughing at me yesterday when I started dumping because I was like, where the heck is Austin at? I mean, really? I was at soccer, dude. That's kind of crazy. The dump was coming down. Austin, you plan on streaming through the upcoming live event? I'm going to try to. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll stream right here watching on Fox News. I watched it on Fox News. What day was that when he came on and spoke? And they didn't flag the channel, so I'll try it again today. Looks like Fox News has become less woke, so that's good. They're not flagging channels for sharing channels. You're shorting BTC right here where Bitcoin or XRP is trying to get up there, man. Hit the top of the wick, hit 252. So we'll see if it goes, man. Let's see if we can get out of this this new hour just formed up here. What does that make for the 4 hour? Yeah, it's trying to. The 4 hour has a nice little right here at the 255 marker. It's kind of right in the middle of this fair value gap on the 4 hour. So that'd be nice to sort of fill that up. So yeah, that'd be nice. You said that you're a pay around 13% on short term. Yeah, it's like 13%, 13 to 15% on short term capital gains. Depend on your tax bracket, but yeah, it's around 13%. And then long term gains for me is about 33%. So, or sorry, short term gains is 33%. Long term is about 13%. So, which you have to hold for over a year. So it can go down to 245. Yeah, it's been hovering around 245, right? 245 is kind of a nice little support level for XRP. What time does the summit start? The summit's already started, but it looks like Trump's going to be speaking here in around 55 minutes. Is a live event this afternoon? Yeah, it's in 55 minutes. No, 55 minutes, dude. No one's missed it. Hey, Austin, can you explain? Fox News, you're the next president. They better not flag you. Reparino, thanks so much for the $2 super chat, dude. We got another revenge live stream. Oh my gosh. You're talking about that was what it was. Yeah, you're right. That's what it was. It was supposed to be him talking about the chip manufacturing. That's what it was that we streamed. And it was that instead. That's funny. Yeah, that's what it was. Not that what you're saying is funny. It's just that's what we were talking about. I was not expecting that to be the topic when we went over there, but I was like, are you talking to me long term and nor short term? Oh yeah. I was talking short term and long term. Should have probably specified that. The summit's already happening. They're probably already speaking, and it's Trump's going to come live and speak here in about 54 minutes, supposedly. You staying on through all this? Yeah, I'll be here, dude. I'll be here through all of it. at least until Trump speaks, because I don't think anyone else is going to speak. So remote viewing. All right. Future profit. What is your view on meme coins? GG. I don't really do a bunch of meme coins. I mean, Pepe. I own Pepe. That's about it. I bought that a while back, but yeah, I try to stick to top tier cryptos. But you know, to each our own on that, right? Nothing against it. It's actually such a bad. What are you saying, Ripperino? I think it'll be better than the summit. Let's see. There's no tax on crypto, don't you? Where are you guys trading in? I use Coinbase. Coinbase is the majority of where I use. Paul, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Whoever blows on Trump the hardest will walk out the winner. Maybe that could be. You never know, man. You never know. Crypto's a scam. Watch is going to be nothing burger. Well, I mean, XRP right now, I mean, it's working its way. It's sitting around 249 still. Yeah, it seemed so out of context. Is 3K XRP enough? That's pretty good. Yeah, you're sitting on what, 6K? A little over 6K, probably 7K. You're on the wrong channel. Crypto is a scam equals I got liquidated. So true. So true. Hello, when is the summit? It's happening right now. Trump speaks in about 40 minutes. About 52 minutes. Sorry, 52 minutes. Your Cardano bags are packed? All right, dude. The rich will get richer and the poor will be walking in the road. You guys are, oh, man. What are your thoughts on XDC? XDC, I think, is good. Yeah, there's a lot of people here that own XDC on the A team. 6K ADA, 5.5K XRP. Praying for pumps. Daniel, I'm with you, man. I hope so too. What is your price prediction on buy on what, or B on what? What's considered a big bag of XRP? I mean, I think that they came out and said like 10,000 XRP is like what people should own. That's a lot still, right? I mean, we're talking $25,000. Bitcoin is going to be the only one, the strategic reserve. Well, they've already came out and made that announcement, Francis. They came out and said that there's going to be two separate reserves here. There's going to be a crypto strategic reserve, and there's also going to be a Bitcoin strategic reserve. So they're going to separate the two. XLM's great. Baron Trump meme coin dumped 99%. Day 3 of asking Austin to check out Supra. I don't even know what that is, bro. I have 10% of a big bag. Hey, at least you're building. That's all that matters. You think people are going to sell? You think people are going to sell Bitcoin and buy USA crypto if there's no tax? They could, dude. Right? I mean, especially if you're going to sell. Yeah, it'll be interesting to sort of see how it plays out. They did that for the BTC maxis. Were crying. Gotta, yeah. Can you stream the event for us? Yeah, I just can't put I'm not going to be sharing my screen over here. Ryan. But you could probably hear it. I can at least put it on audio. 53K. Can that make me richer than Elon? I guess if it gets to $10,000, it probably wouldn't at that point even get you richer than Elon. Actually, now that I think about that, I only want a 3-bedroom of my. What did I say? I only want a 3-bedroom ranch on 10 acres with woods. I'm with you, Anthony. I could be down with that. Gonna buy both of my kids a cold storage and transfer some money. Nice. That's the way to do it, dude. A few of the people at my work have finally decided to get into crypto. Hell yeah, dude. That's the way to do it. Why not screen share? On TikTok. I'm talking on TikTok. TikTok, I used to share my screen on TikTok, like the charts and everything like that, but I got in trouble. They striked my channel. So I didn't stream for like a month, almost a month and a half on TikTok. I didn't stream because they strike the channel. I didn't want if I had 3 strikes, I had 2 strikes. And if I got 3 strikes, they would take down the channel. So I just stopped and waited to get out of jail from TikTok before I started streaming again. And then now I'm just talking to them versus actually sharing my screen. What is the summit's already started. Now we're just waiting for Trump to speak. Trump speaks in about 49 minutes. So we're getting there. And crypto's kind of been flat a little bit. Had to cover my wife's student loans. Oh, dang. Hopefully they weren't too much. I have 217 XRP. I don't think so. I think people will still make good money. I don't think he's going to speak, Ryan. I don't think he's going to speak. Protect Austin. What's up? What's up, Pedro? TikTok is weird. Kinda, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of been weird, dude. You're a jailbird now, Austin. It was kind of weird. I was kind of like, oh man, dude, I should probably could you let us listen to the Trump part, please? Yeah. I'll play the audio for sure. Where I'm watching on Fox News, dude. Yeah, you can stream it to Fox News if you like. 28K XRP at 45 cents. That's really good. 3K LS. That's really, really good. Thanks for Eastside. Thanks for sending the goat. Appreciate that, man. Just sold a car and got a little over 15,000 XRP. Damn. All right, Mike. I see you. There's always going to be people that have more XRP and people that have less. Don't let it bother you and keep accumulating. That's a good point, Goblin Fart. It's a good point. Yeah, just keep doing your thing, man. Honestly, it would be better that Trump doesn't speak and just nods. Go to soccer, make it pump. I'm with you. I probably should. I'm on the weird seat today. Gonna slam my keyboard before I continue. Ripperino. Kind of crazy since all the TikTokers share their screens that you would get punished for it. I have heard it because if you have a check mark or something like, yeah, it was kind of weird, Moist Mike. I got hit twice, back to back, and it was like, hey, if you get 3 strikes, you're gonna get your stuff taken down, and so you get put in jail for like 90 days. And I was just like, you know what, dude? Like, I'm just not gonna do anything on TikTok until that happens. So I kind of stopped. I'll try again maybe later, but maybe like here. I just started streaming back on TikTok again over the last week. So appreciate that I have 295 people in here hanging out, talking about crypto today. Like I said, I haven't streamed for like almost like a month and a half on TikTok just because of that. So is there a price for XRP you would stop buying? I mean, I would constantly swing trade. My average price is back in the 30s, right? 30-cent mark. So, but I'll always continue to swing trade it. It's one of the best charts to swing trade right now. It's super easy to watch, all that kind of stuff. You can follow it pretty easily. Daily candle starting to look sexy. Yeah, it's looking good right now. The hour chart's coming down. This last hour has kind of been a little bit downward, but it's only been about 13 minutes. So just imagine if everyone announces that Trump announces everyone should open up a crypto account with an exchange. Dude, I hope that'd be kind of crazy. Calvin gets punished too. Yeah, okay. He doesn't really share. Like I had like charts like streamed across, like it was like constantly sharing, versus like flipping around. I think Calvin actually flips around a couple times. So yeah, but yeah, Calvin's a good person to watch. I'm kind of new to the game. What is swing trading? Swing trading is you just like you enter into you watch the chart, you watch indicators on a chart, and try to find the low of that time frame and then buy it, and hopefully continues to rise up and you sell for a profit. It's called a swing trade. Try to stay in there for like 2 to 3 days, sometimes a week. How do you avoid? What do you think about the average return of BTC being the next 20 years? Average return 25%. Shoot, I don't know. That's tough. I mean, if they're saying in the next 20 years, dude, it could be bigger than that. The return could be bigger than that. I mean, dude, they're thinking by 2020 that Bitcoin's gonna be worth $10 million a coin, and by 2030, dude. I don't know if that's obtainable, but I mean that's kind of what they've been saying, dude. At least that's what Michael Saylor's been pushing for. So, which of course that's what he want. Chad. Oh man. You think Satoshi is mad at the maxis for begging for the government? Probably. Yeah, I would assume. I don't think that the ETFs were in Satoshi's vision either. John, you wild, bro. You guys are killing me. You're the man, Austin. I'm struggling between scooping up alts for price pumps this year or just dumping the last of the volatility. Yeah, it's kind of Millimane. Yeah, it's kind of hard. You know what I mean? If you're mostly into BTC, it's kind of hard to say how you want to do it. I've kind of just diversified into top alts and Bitcoin and just kind of kept it there. We're about an unprecedented time. All the old analytical baseline doesn't matter anymore because it's all new. Yeah, we keep saying that. Warrior. But for some reason, it just keeps the markets continue to do what the markets have always done. I mean, we keep seeing that time and time again. So, scalp BTC, you think so? Just came on the live. It was charts of 2 hours. You must have crossed the TikTok gods. Oh yeah, you're right. That's crazy, Striker. Yeah, I don't know why. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird that they would flag the channel. I don't. It was super weird. I have 34,000 XRP at 328 each. Level with me, please. Am I screwed? No, you're in your profits right now. 320. Oh, you bought it at 328. Oh, I read that wrong. 328. Damn, bro, you bought pretty damn high. Where did you buy that at? Back over here in December? I mean, you know that it's going to eventually get back here. It's already hit this price once. It can definitely hit it again. So, I mean, yeah, I don't think that it's going to be too crazy. It's already started. The crypto summit's already started. Just let everyone know. It's just now we're waiting for Trump to speak. I have not, Corey Finger. I have not looked into that on Hedera. Not yet. He's not live yet. We're still waiting right here. We have about another 42 minutes till he goes live, technically. Let's see here. No matter what the price is, you pay for XRP, hold, and you'll be profitable. Holding is kind of a good strategy for the most part, especially in markets like this. Yeah, you only lose money when you sell. True facts. That is facts. But in the meantime, if anyone is interested, there is a pre-sale for a Pure Wallet token. I am going to put this up here because the leaderboard, I wanted to give a shout out to the leaders. As you guys know, this started over again. So there's a whole new leaderboard coming out here. And the 3 people that actually won the 50,000 Pure Wallet tokens, kudos to you guys because that's a pretty good amount on the pre-sale. So those people got awarded Pure Wallet tokens. A new one starts right now. And couldn't be more excited for those people that actually came out here and were able to win those. The top 3 people actually won those rewards. So yeah, super cool to see. Let's see here. That's not what I wanted. There we go. So super cool for anyone that bought the Pure Wallet and got into those things. Why did Ross get hit with the BTC from Silk Road? Yeah, he was pardoned. Let's see here. Has it started yet? No, it has not started yet. Has not started at all yet. So is there a trick to getting them to reply? Yeah, dude, just go up, Rooster, go up to the, there's a little, if you go to leaderboard right here, if you have a question, see a little bug right here, go over here and you can actually click on that and you can, the team will respond to you. So that's kind of what they put up there for people to respond. And again, if you find a bug or an issue with the wallet, you could send it to them and they'll pay you back. What's the token? It's called a Pure Wallet token. It's Pure Wallet is the, it's a new token come out here. It's PWT. It's on a pre-sale right now. And yeah, and there's a leaderboard out here. This will continue to go on and this price will continue to rise, right? Every 2 days, the price continues to rise up. So yeah, and eventually I don't know exactly when it's going to launch, but it's a new wallets out there. So something if you guys are, while we're sitting here waiting for the launch, to take a look at and do some research on it if you'd like. When's it going to go live? Here soon, dude. I'm so scared of wallets now. You just got to be careful with them. You know what I mean? Just make sure you're putting your money in the right place. What's the project about? It's the first blockchain offline wallet. So you can actually have a cold storage wallet on your phone. So the phone, you can actually put your, instead of holding around like a ledger or like a wallet, like, you know how we have like Tangem and we have hardware wallets like Ledger, and you carry them around, you can actually have it on your phone now. It's a cold storage built on your phone. It's the first patented technology out there that allows you to store crypto on your phone in an offline setting in a cold storage. So you don't have to carry around separate devices and you'll have access to it 100% of the time. So it's kind of a cool tech. It's a patented technology. And first time there's a blockchain built into the phone. So, or built into the wallet. Also, why do people say that you lose when you sell? How do you factor in taking profits with that mindset? No, they're just saying that if you lose, like, so if you're down on your crypto, so like let's just say that you're down $1,000 and you sell, like you've lost, right? So if you don't sell and you hold on to it and it eventually comes green, you win, right? So that's kind of like the thought process. The only way you lose is if you sell. That's why leverage trading is so crazy, because you get you get out leveraged, and then you're required to sell because you got shaken out. So that's kind of what it is. When does the summit start? It's already started, dude. I only purchased Pure Wallet because of you. All right, Space. I appreciate it. I mean, I hope you purchased it because of you. I hope you purchased it because of what you like about Pure Wallet token. I had to link my wallet. I had linked my wallet to Pure Wallet and pre-sale and cannot see the Ethereum on Ledger anymore. So how do I get the Pure coins? You have to reconnect your wallet to the website, Ripperino, and then you'll be able to see it. My Spectrum Android sucks so bad I can never trust a wallet on this. Anthony, remember, this is not financial advice. Thoughts on staking? I think staking is actually good if you stake on. If you stake, where can I buy the Pure Wallet token? You can go to, it's called purewallet.ai. You can do it. It's called purewallet.ai is what it is. And that's where the token's at. It's with ETH too. You got to purchase it with ETH. Remember, this is not. Yeah, the what was I saying about staking? I think if you do auto staking, that's the best thing to do. So you do it on a decentralized wallet, and then do on a decentralized wallet and make sure it's auto staking. You can take it off. I don't like where you stake it and it's held for a year. I don't do any of that. Have you talked about crypto yet, though? NBC Live says stand by for live video. Yeah, we're waiting for Trump to go live. You won't get any of my profits from Pure Wallet. All right. Sometimes I wish I had access to my crypto. He signed executive orders at 2:30. He's going to be live. Yeah, we're going to watch it here on Fox News. It's already going down right now. Hey, Austin, why won't the Tangem let me sell HBAR, SUI, or NEAR? Do I need to transfer it back to Coinbase? Yeah, probably, unless it allows you to do that. But I don't know if Tangem does. Ledger Live allows you to do stuff like that. So, Oz, explain the online connectivity to me. Just need to see it run a bit to ensure I personally feel safe. Yeah. So how it works is, so when you're looking at Pure Wallet here. So it's the first offline blockchain wallet. It's been through ISO. So this has been pen tested through ISO. It's the only wallet out there outside Trust Wallet that's actually it's ISO certified, which is great. And then there's the offline wallet. So you can send crypto without the internet. You can actually send it from one phone to the other. You don't even actually be connected. It's all offline. So you just move it into an offline. You just take Ethereum, you move it into the offline wallet. And you can see right here, there's an offline setting where it says offline wallet right here. You can zoom in. So right here, I don't know why my computer won't let me zoom in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, for some reason it won't let me zoom in. But anyways, there's an offline setting right here, and you can actually do that. You can go into the offline setting here. So you move it over into an offline setting, and then it's held offline. And then you can move it across thing, and you don't pay any gas fees. You can move Bitcoin 1,000 times super fast and carry no gas fees because it's in an offline setting. So that's all you're doing. It's just going into an offline blockchain on the backside of it, and the offline blockchain is going to be ran by Pure Chain. So that's basically all it is. That's how the wallet works. That's the patented technology with it. So you can have cold storage on there. Again, I purchased the cold storage. I've moved stuff to the cold storage already. Just make sure that the one you're sending over there is working. You already did for me, so thank you for the second pass. Hey, no problem, man. Have you added any new coins to the wallet? They're adding some new coins right now. Like HBAR is going to be added here. Solana is going to be added. So they're going to slowly be adding those things. But they're really working on the hot wallet side of it for the DEX. How long do you think these crypto guys take to make their posts of them holding their faces like warriors of wrath? I don't know. I try really hard not to do something like that. I bought Pure Coin, but I still don't see it. You gotta overcoming demons. You just gotta log back into. Just go in here and connect your wallet back again. connect wallet, and then you'll be able to sort of see it there. You'll see it on the website here. Like I'll connect my wallet here. Oh, I gotta actually connect it over here. Sorry. I gotta log in real quick. Hold on. You just gotta connect your wallet over there and you'll be good. Just a sec. Got it. So you just connect your wallet over here, and then you'll be able to see your tokens. So you'll be able to see your tokens over here, right there. So, but yeah. So we got 33 minutes, 27 seconds before Trump goes live, dude. What channel is the summit? It's gonna be on Fox News. That's where Trump's gonna be talking. Austin, where's the sell market on your swing trader? What's the total supply of the pure chain coin? I think it's 10 billion. 10 billion. Appreciate your lives. You don't try to say to and keep others up to date. I'm here for the A team. I appreciate your Reno. So the Pure Wallet token. So if you go onto the website and you want to see what it is, just go to purewallet.ai. Here, I'll put it in the chat down below. You guys can take a look at it, and you can see if it's again it's a decentralized side. So it has everything on the website here for what you want, but a lot of it has to do right here. You can do. There's going to be some mining. So the Pure Chain, you're going to be able to mine the Pure Chain on here. It's going to be a smart mining on your phone, and you're going to have Pure Wallet tokens to be able to allow the mining to take place. You're going to have to stake Pure Wallet tokens. It allows governance. Obviously, you're going to have reduced transaction fees. So if you're using the wallet and you have Pure Wallet token, you'll have reduced transaction fees. I'm hoping that if you hold a certain amount, maybe you don't get any fees at all if you hold a decent amount of the Pure Wallet token. So a lot of these wallets out there make a ton of money off of fees. But if you're again, I think it's a positive thing if you're holding the token and it's in your wallet and you're holding a certain amount, that you don't pay any fees or something along those lines. And obviously there's other opportunities as well, like exclusive, being able to have access to new projects to include the Pure Chain coin when that launches, because this blockchain is launching here this year. At the end of this year, Pure Chain is going to be launching. So you'll have access to the Pure Chain pre-sale. So that's going to be good to sort of see as well. But yeah, go check it out. It's like I said, I mean, it's not for everyone. So it's one of those things. Austin, I'm opposed to. Okay, let's see here. How deep are you in the Pure Wallet token pre-sale? I purchased $6,000 so far on the pre-sale, and I'll probably buy some more here before the end of the pre-sale. But yeah, I'm about $6,000 in on it. Did they pay me? I haven't taken any payments from them. Okay, take that back. I took to put them into Discord. I did take a payment from them to put it into the Discord. But outside of that, like I said, and that was just to be fair, because I've other projects have asked me to do it, and I charge them, so it was just fair for me to do that to Pure Wallet. But everything else is like I've honestly I just like the tech on this 100%. I've worked on it myself, so obviously I want it to be successful. So I'm going to talk about it and share it with people that I think might like it themselves. But it's up to them. Like, it's not up to me to decide for you guys if you like it or not. It's just new tech that's out here. Not a lot of people have it. So you can go to purewallet.ai, Nicholas, purewallet.ai. Yeah, Pedro. It's and again, it's up to you guys. This is just me sharing where we're at with it. No problem. Yeah. I put it in the Discord and like I said, it was out of fair. It wasn't because it was just showing fairness to the other projects that asked to be in there, and I charged them. And it was like, and my marketing wallet's all public for everyone, so you guys can see the money going in, the money going out of the marketing wallet for anyone that wants to market in the Discord and stuff like that. And so yeah, it's all there for public, and that's why I asked them to send money over for it, because I thought it was important to be transparent and be fair. So that's why. You don't know shit about crypto? Okay. Well, appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for the view. Victor, let's see here. Yeah, and plus, yeah, I did work on the wallet. I did go over to South Korea and spend some time over there working on the interface of the wallet. So that's another reason why I dig it. Is because I have my own fingerprints on it too. So you want to be successful. Things that you work on, you want them to be successful, right? I mean, that's me personally. I appreciate the response. Felt unheard. Yeah, no free speech. I love H-bar. Yeah. Austin, do you know if the crypto summit will be sent live? Yeah, it's going to be live here in about 29 minutes, dude. Ondo should do well. Yeah, Ondo's good, dude. I mean, it's it's pushing the real world asset out there, right? The real world tokens. So I mean that's super positive. The real world assets is kind of a big thing coming up here. So I think that's a big thing. Actually, I think that's a huge thing. So let's be honest there. Let's be honest there. Austin, you have so much grace with the trolls. Paradise, I appreciate it. Hey, we've been doing it for a while, man. I appreciate you though, dude. It happens all the time, dude. You think XLM's good, man? Where are you watching? I'm gonna be watching on my YouTube channel, and then it's gonna be on Fox News as well. You the man. I appreciate your wisdom. I was an insider. When does the summit stream start? It's here shortly, dude. CRC, I don't, man. I have to come back and have some fun, with them. I'm gonna bank sell the news event. It could be, right? It could be, but we're not really pumping right now. Like it's not like we're like actually going nuts right now in terms of pumping. So it's like, I mean, maybe we'll have some upswing here. It's about time to start blocking people like Oscar and I when somebody would tell them the truth. Oh, is that what happens? Didn't you said you got blocked by them, didn't you? Austin knows ISOs all the way. Yeah, 6-string. I'm with you. ISOs are the best way. I meant to say I wish I was an insider. Oh, CRC. I was picking up what you're putting down. I think I read that right. It's gonna be in about 29 minutes, PJ. Hopefully 29 minutes. Bipolar Donkey, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. If you again appreciate you so much and welcome, my friend. Listen to the yeah. Will the Pure Wallet support Pulse Chain? Well, the Pure Wallet token, the Pure Wallet is going to be Ethereum, so I guess it should support, right? Because aren't they mirrored? I think it would be if that's the case. If it's Ethereum based, right? Isn't it mirrored over there? If I understand it right, wells are coming probably. What time does it start? Here in about 29 minutes. Any good news yet? Nah. I mean, we're still waiting. You got food in your teeth? Mm-hmm. I'll show you food. There. How about that for some food? Oh, what do you think Trump is going to say? I hope he says no capital gains. I can't stand. You can tell he's. You guys are wild. 29 minutes till we dump bullish news. Everyone starts somewhere. I have a bag in cold storage to hodl. Yeah, we all start somewhere. Gobble Farm with you, man. Pulse Chain is a copy of Ethereum. Yes. So yes, then it would be. That would be a copy of it. I like Ethereum because of staking. Yeah, staking could be good. Do you see H bar hitting 35 cents soon? I sure hope so, man. Trump is the effing man. I thought the meeting was at 17. It's here. The meeting's already happened. I think that now he's just going to come talk about it. So, and I think he's going to sign an executive. I think there was some discussion about him signing another executive order. So it'll be interesting to sort of see how this happens. No capital gains would be odd, dude. Milton, it would be nuts. If there was no capital gains, it would be wild. Yeah, no capital gains would be crazy. I think that alone would cause we would have a massive run. Austin, this is an attack on your character. Oh, what's an what Matthew? What's an attack on the character? The end. I got both a long and short waiting. Heck yeah, dude. I'm listening to this while at work, and the shout out names are getting out of control. Thanks for the super chat. What's up, Irish Tiger? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I mean, people will sell their stock to bring in money they'll sell to put it into crypto because no capital gains. If that really happens, if there's no capital gains, it's going to go wild. But that's what the anticipation is, right? And if it doesn't happen, then it could be crazy. 10K. We'll see where to watch the summit and when is it going to happen. Hopefully, Malik, we're here in about 24 minutes. It's going to be on Fox News, or you can come over to my YouTube channel. Just go up here and hit my YouTube, and you'll be good. Jake, it'll be. I don't know, man. We'll see. That this I'm putting all analysis, everything aside, because this market has been super hard to gauge, just with everything going on. So it's just kind of, you're kind of throwing a dart at the wall sometimes. What time does this whole thing start? Well, about 24 minutes when Trump starts speaking. I think we're going to see some movement in the market. So these days, swing trading is one news event. V man, I'm with you, dude. No capital gains on crypto literally make people more move to the US. Could be. Yeah. Trump will disappoint as usual. There's that feeling out there, right? There's definitely that feeling that there's gonna be a letdown, right? I think that's kind of how the momentum of everything has been, is a letdown. So, you know, it could definitely be a letdown. We'll see here. Jerome Powell indicated that the Federal Reserve will likely keep interest rates unchanged as it waits for more clarity on economic uncertainty driven by Trump's administrative policies. I guarantee you, dude, I've already said in May they're going to probably cut rates. They're saying rumors are circulating that Ripple is potentially going to be giving 45% of its XRP supply to the U.S. government to secure access. That would be nuts. I don't know if that's actually true, but that would be wild. It says the president of the United States called Bitcoin the digital gold. The U.S. holds 17.8 billion BTC that will now be added to its balance sheet. That's crazy. It's going to be added to its balance sheet. Wow. That's a big number to add to the balance sheet, dude, with the volatility the way it is. So it could get really, really interesting. It will get interesting here pretty quickly. The summit's already started. They could give you Ripple T-bills. 45, giving 45% of your supply to the U.S. government would be crazy. I mean, handing that much over to the U.S. government is pretty. It's just I don't know. I'd have a hard time doing it myself. Are you still at 225 XRP for the buy? Yeah, I still have something in for 225. 225 is like kind of like my marker, bro. I just read that he wasn't buying more BTC, just holding what we have. That's correct. Yeah. No, the summit wasn't going to be broadcasted. They were talking about a small group of people going to a roundtable. I don't think they were going to broadcast it. I was saying that yesterday. My take on it was that it was not going to be broadcasted. So Seiko, yes, A-Team strong. Appreciate you, buddy. No capital gains on crypto would literally make people move to the. Yeah, I'm with you, Marty. Have you ordered your black ATX yet? No. You're talking about the GMC. I definitely want to go look at the GMCs though. That's for sure. I'd have to get Fan to come along with me. I can actually see him saying no capital gains, but it's not actually gonna get past Congress. I think it would get past Congress, dude. The Congress is like super supportive of this. I don't know, man. Maybe not, but yeah, I think it would. Then David Sachs will be seen as the new Gary Gensler. I don't think that's gonna be the case. Tommy Camp is also a key member of the PayPal Mafia. Interesting. I didn't know that. Yeah, we got a PayPal Mafia member under PureWallet right now. That's the cool part is PureWallet. One of their advisors is a PayPal Mafia member right here. You guys don't know, I interviewed him on the channel. Eric's actually seems like a pretty nice guy, but to be part of the PayPal Mafia and then be an advisor for PureWallet is pretty badass. Got to hand him that they were able to secure that somehow. Yeah, Bitcoin or XRP is coming back down just slightly to 248 right now. And HBAR dropped below 24 cents. The only ones making out these days are those the insiders right before the news drops. Yeah, probably. Definitely. 188. You think it's going to go to 188 again? Where is Trump? Trump should be coming out here in about 20 minutes. About 19 minutes, we should have Trump out here. And he's probably going to be late. Maybe he's on time today. It's Friday. I just bought the GMC 25 and it's already in the shop. The Pine Green. I'm so sad. AT4, the Pine Green. How's it in the shop already, Becky? What happened? Oh my gosh, that's kind of. You bought the new GMC 25. It's in the shop. What is it? What happened? Is it like your transmission or what happened with it? Garlic, salt, pepper, onion, soy sauce with steak, medium rare. Yeah, it's kind of wild. Whales want to get in cheaper. I agree. If no capital gains, where do you see XRP going today? I just hope it gets back up to its $3 range would be nice. What are you going to be watching the summit on? You can come over to my YouTube channel. I'll be watching over here with a bunch of people. They have a problem with the 6.2 engines. Why I traded my 21 in for it. I'm waiting for the shop. Oh man, they're having problems with the 6.2s. Oh damn, that's crazy. I have to look into that. That's crazy. They did a buyback on the AT4. Damn, dude. So not GMC's kind of a little bit, or the Chevy and GMC is a little bit rough. I have a 24 High Country Chevy 3500, and it's been so far. It's been great. Damn, I have a 2016 GMC Denali 2500. My truck stays in the shop. That's wild, dude. To save your summit, it's already going on. Yeah, it's already going on. Thomas, good question about the Pure. I think they're going to continue to run the pre-sale right now for the Pure Wallet token. I don't know exactly when it's going to get dropped. God, someone's Troppy Cole. Someone's like, dude, is GM like a new crypto? No, it's not. It's we're just I just brought up that I was looking at getting the new GMC. That's what I was talking about. Are the current prices to buy HBAR and XLM? I mean, yeah, it's kind of where we've been hovering around here, anywhere from 22 to about 24. So you're gonna be watching on your channel? Yeah, I'm gonna be watching on my channel. Yeah, I would stream it over here on TikTok, but TikTok has striked my channel a few times, so I stopped. What happened to XRP price if Ripple did? I mean, it'd probably do well. It'd probably do really well. Bitcoin's starting to come down too, just slightly before the everyone's selling before Trump's speaking. They're catching on. Presidents are always late to conferences. They are, dude. I hate politics. Yeah, it's kind of rough. Oh, thanks, Fan, for doing that. Yeah, thank you. You have a 21 Yukon, no problems. Yeah, it's probably catch one here. You probably get some coin XRP. I'm waiting for you. Me too. I'm waiting for XRP as well. It's a GMC. Appreciate you from Stockholm, Sweden. Heck yeah, dude. That's where my ancestors, man. Sweden. GMC haters like Bitcoin maxis. You guys are funny, dude. Would the 6.2 cost me a ton? Oh, really? Yeah, I haven't had too many issues with I have a 2000 been fine. Okay. Yeah, so far mine's been good too. And how crypto's tax should be huge. Yeah, I think for sure clarification would be huge. Cheers from Washington, D.C. What's up, man? Buy the 2018 Duramax, best rig I've ever owned. All right. Let's see. Yeah, because I think right now I have a six. I think I have the. I'm pretty sure I have the Durham. I think my Silverado is a. I want to say it's a either a 6.6. I think it's a 6.6 Duramax is what my it's a 2024 is a 6.6. I think is what my Chevy is. If I had to. Okay, 6.2 engines only. Gotcha. It's kind of like what Ford did. Yeah. Sorry, I'm scrolling fast down here. I'm sort of far behind after looking at all the car stuff. You guys are killing it. The Duramax, yeah, that's what I have right there. The 6.6. Yeah, Bitcoin, it's coming down right now. Crypto's coming down. I think everyone's anticipating the news right here, right? Okay, yeah, that's good ones right there. Austin's live on. Yeah, Trump's gonna be coming live here in about 15 minutes. Just give everyone the heads up. 15 minutes. 1% interest rates on America-made vehicles would be nice. Yeah, that'd be nice, dude. Yo, Austin, what do you trade your swing trades? Coinbase. What'd that say? I don't know what I just read. Coinbase has a lot of fees. Yeah, I do it on Coinbase Advanced. Where's it going to be live? On Fox News, if you want to go over to the Fox News side. I have a 2007 Ford. I took Austin. A Prius guy. You're funny, man. Are people at the summit selling? Probably. Someone's selling. I mean, it's starting to come down. The market's coming down pretty fast right now. You can see there's definitely some sell-offs coming. XRP back down to 246. Oh, really? You were 4 guy? Yeah, I was too. LL Cool J, and then I said screw it. Jay Marsh, thanks so much for the $5 super chat, dude. Thoughts on Flare? Recently came across them. Much love from Alabama. I think Flare's a good crypto, right? They're trying to really work on the the bridging side of a lot of things here. It's a good crypto. It's just it's been super volatile. So, but yeah, when it bounces back, things will be good. So thanks so much for the super chat. Egotistical, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Hey Austin, any idea of when the winners of the Pure Wall will get rewards? It should already happen. Those ones that were in the top 3 of that got rewarded. So I think it should show up. Or when it gets dropped, I think when the token actually gets dropped, you'll have your rewards on there. I think that's I don't know. You could send them an email. Go up to the little thing and send them an email and ask them. I honestly don't know. Are you going to stay on when the Trump comes on? Yeah. I'm going to be here. You'll hear the audio side of it, but yeah, he'll be on in about 12 minutes. So I'm just hoping this bull run Texas made Randy. People, in the chat over here on shorting it. Probably there's probably some shorts coming in for sure. I mean, we're seeing the crypto markets coming down pretty hot right now. So yeah, we'll continue to watch. Flare tied to ISOs, yeah. Just cancel my Cybertruck order. Oh no. Oh really? Thanks for buying Silverado. I'll make parts for it. Oh, it's badass, Batchman. That's cool. Insider trading, it could be. Or people are just sick and tired of anytime Trump speaks, the markets go down. I don't know why everyone's getting bent out of shape about the reserve. The fact we are even talking about this. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. I'm 100% with you on that. Y'all gonna sell today or what? I'm not. Is 16K XRP enough? Yeah, I think that's great, dude. What's your opinion on Dog with Hat? I think Dog with Hat's. I mean, dude, it's established crypto. Can we see the Livehouse the feed? I would do it, but like I said, I stopped streaming on YouTube on TikTok my screen because they got all pissed off at me and marked the channel. It's the token, Wild Dog. It's the Pure Wallet token is a token that you can buy and you can trade, but it's going to be used when it's attached to your wallet. That wallet address defines how much tokens you have, and then that's how many. That's what you can do inside the wallet, right? From trade fees to being able to mine. You have to stake for governance and all that kind of stuff. So it's really up to you on how you want to do it, but that's kind of how it works. XXQX, or maybe it's just Q. Q, thanks so much for the 299 or the 199 super chat here. Sell off when Trump is on, probably. That's kind of what's happening right now. We are about 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away right now. And yeah, thanks so much, Q, for the super chat. Thoughts on Shiba and Doge? I think they're fine. I like Doge. I like Doge a lot. HBAR is legit. You'll be able to hear the audio from the stream. That's about it. Could Trump tie no capital gains tax on crypto into tax cuts? Good question. I don't know. There's speculation on X that Ripple might forfeit a part of XRP's escrow holdings. Yeah, that's what they're saying, Lindsay. We're just reading that. That'll be interesting to sort of see how that plays out, to be honest with you. I don't know how that's gonna work out. Zeus, what do you want to run a poll on? It should be here. The summit should start. Well, the summit's already started, but I think Trump's speaking is going to come on here in about 9 minutes. So is offline wallet and a cold storage a different thing? Yeah. So the cold storage is so you can move tokens to an offline, and then you can move them to a cold storage, which puts them into an offline setting. So that, like, again, it's like putting it into a cold storage. It's like just like a ledger. They go into an offline. They're offline when you unplug it. But then an offline allows you to send crypto from, so you have your cold storage, which is offline, and then you have an offline wallet, which allows you to send crypto offline to other pure wallets, and you don't pay any gas fees, and it's super fast, and you can send Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those things. And it's like super fast, and it costs no gas. So you can send, like, let's just say that you have like $10 in Bitcoin that you want to send. Not only is it super fast, but you can send it offline and pay no gas fee. You can send to $1,000, and you'll always have $5 at the end of that. Versus if you send it now, you're going to pay gas fee. I want to move my crypto off exchanges for security, but still have the flexibility to easily liquidate certain coins. Is there a solution that offers both safety and ease? Well, that's kind of what Nick. That's kind of what the Pure Wallet's trying to do. So they're trying to create ease to where you can, do a lot of that stuff. Let me rephrase. Why, when I click cold on the Pure Wallet, does it want $40? Well, it's $39.95, and you have to purchase the cold storage. It's something you have to purchase. F Joe. You guys are in Oregon, correct? I'm actually in Washington. We're in Seattle area, greater Seattle area. Why would you buy HBAR now and hold long term, or would you wait until bear market? I'm on the fence. Well, I mean, it depends if you think we're in the bear market or not. So Trump should be coming on here about 7 minutes. So just give everyone a heads up, 7 minutes, hopefully. I'm really just trying to get my Pure Coins, but it's not working. Just connect so you're going to get Pure Wallet. So the Pure Coin is not, you can't get your Pure Coin hasn't been released yet. That's going to be coming. Pure Coin, which is the Pure Chain, is going to be dropped in, the Pure Chain is going to get dropped in Q4. What does it take on Pure Wallet to get started? 5K, 10K more? Anything really, Nick. Anything at this. I mean, it's just a pre-sale. You can do whatever you want. I mean, I think I purchased, like I said, I think I have like $6,500 roughly in Pure Wallet that I purchased. I think my goal is to get anywhere around 10,000 Pure Wallet tokens before the pre-sale is over. Ordered. Any comments on this cold? I don't know enough about it, Matt. I don't know about that wallet. I haven't used that wallet. Portland, Oregon. Oh, nice, dude. Yeah, I love Portland, Oregon. Irish Tiger. Yeah, we used to live in Vancouver. Hey, Austin, can explain Pure Wallet. John Jones, we're talking about Pure Wallet pre-sale. There's a wallet out there, just like a SafePal and a MetaMask. It's the first blockchain wallet out there that allows you to store crypto in a cold storage on your phone, and there's a pre-sale out there right now for the token to go live. And there's if you read up on the website, it's right here. I'll post it and pin it in the chat if you guys want to take a look at it. You can. I'll post it and then I'll pin it in the chat for you guys while we wait for Trump to come live. There you go. It's pinned now. You guys can take it on your own time. You guys can take a look at it. Amish chicks lining up for the Pure Chain. That one guy. Thanks so much for the $2 super chat. Yeah, it's the Pure Chain is going to be coming out here hopefully in Q4 of 2025. So, and that's going to be that's a pretty badass blockchain that's going to be coming out. We'll see what happens here. The crypto market is coming down. I mean, it's kind of came back down. Now it's coming back up. So it's kind of finicky right now. I don't know. It's going to be interesting to sort of see. Yeah, they're slowly working on the functionality of it. So yeah, it should be easy to use. It's already, I mean, it's not too bad right now, but yeah, it's definitely going to get better over time for sure. AT meetup in Seattle. 2.5K watching, just over 500 likes. I appreciate you, Elliot. I do my best to say F away from it. Used it. Yeah. You took down my pin. Did you go to school in Vancouver, Washington? You look familiar. I did go to school in Vancouver, Washington, Mr. Lambo. I went to Pacific Middle School is where I went, and then I ended up moving out to Camas. So yeah, it's kind of where I was. And then I went to Camas for a 8th and 9th grade, and then I came and moved back to the greater Seattle area. I have finally calmed with crypto. There will be. We know each other. Do we? Do we know each other? Uh oh. Did you go to Pacific Middle School as well? Long Beach, Washington. There's no way you went to Pacific Middle School, bro. I want to move to Seattle, Spokane. Exposed. Yeah, I know, right? Which is better? Do you think Trump coin or dog with hat? I mean, I don't know. Did Austin headbutt you? Yeah, are you the kid that I headbutted? Watch it is. Yeah, it's so funny. That is the time frame right there. I'll give you that. I'll give you that, Slim Cheeses. That is the time frame. Austin, I have some friends in Battleground, Washington. Oh, nice. So close to Camas. Hell yeah, dude. Hello from Tacoma. Nice, dude. No, I went to Kalama, but we may have mutual friends. Oh, okay. May have mutual friends that live in Vancouver. Okay, Mr. Lambo. That's pretty cool. Okay. All right. So Trump should be coming live here in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, dude. Rumor has it Austin headbutted Charles from Ada. I don't know about that. B Miller, thanks so much for becoming renewing your membership, man. Appreciate that a ton, dude, and welcome back. It's going to have it on. Yeah, I'm just gonna do. I streamed on Fox News last time, and they didn't flag the channel, so I'm gonna try it again. I'm from Battleground. Hell yeah, Battlegrounds. I have some family actually out in Battleground right now. So yeah, Battleground's a nice little area. It's grown a lot. I see Austin. I could see Austin headbutting people. People don't expect the headbutt. Tell us, did Austin cruise grocery stores for high? Oh my god, dude. 18. Let's take over Fox News again. Oh yeah, Fox News. You guys are wild. Trump coin strategic reserve. Yeah, we'll see here. Trump goes live in about 1 minute. 1 minute 55 seconds. We're waiting for Trump to go live. Have you been to Long Beach, Washington? Yeah, I go to Long Beach. We go out that way every once in a blue moon. Love from India. Harish, thanks so much, man. We shorten everything. I mean, the market right now is XRP is about 248. It's not too bad. We got a lot of people in here from crypto. Do crypto still benefit grow within a cold storage? Yeah, they still grow in a cold storage. Yeah, 100%. Most podcasts are saying it dumps when he talks. Yeah, it could be. Is it raining in Washington? It's actually been really not. This winter has actually been kind of a weird winter, man. It hasn't been too rainy. It's been a little cold, but not too cold. It hasn't really snowed, and yeah, it's super dry right now. It's been really dry out. Here comes the Trump dump. We'll see, man. Keep our fingers crossed. I need 2 more sets of eyes today. Portland, south of you, where I'm at. Yeah, we love Portland. Like the food down there is amazing. Angelica's Greek gyros, dude, are like the best gyros I've ever had in my life, or however you want to say that word. Gyros, whatever. And then there's Alamir's. Alamir's is another place that's amazing, and the owner is awesome. In Portland, Al-Amir, AL-AMIR, I think, something like that. But that place is fantastic. They have Lebanese margaritas that are off the charts. All right, he should be going live here soon. Let's go. I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm gonna present. Let's go. Window, Chrome tab. All right. Now we're gonna go live. We're waiting for him to go live now. We are waiting for the live. There's speculation that the SEC might announce. Yeah, we'll see. XRP is sitting around 248 right now. It's flirting around the 248 mark. Tag Austin in the Fox stream. Yeah, you guys are wild for that Fox thing, dude. That was so funny. Yes, last time. I left when the naked bike rides became a thing. Dude, that was Ed D. That was wild, dude. You'd be down there and all that stuff would go just crazy. Heroes. Oh, heroes. Okay, I get what you're saying. Heroes eat gyros is a great way to run. Oh, that's okay. I like that. I can get on board with that. Okay. Heroes. Would you grab more Ondo or H bar if you had 500? Probably. I'm more of a H bar guy right now. Steamrollers. Yeah, here we go. We're waiting and waiting and waiting. Watch it like doesn't even come live. Yeah, there's a lot of people waiting, dude. They're saying at 12. Now they're saying 12:15. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. James Adams, hello from Everett. Should we be nervous? I'm a little. I don't think we should be nervous, dude. I'm not sweating it. But from Everett, man. Yeah, I love Everett, dude. That's a nice little area up there. Some parts of Everett. I'll take the back. Some parts of Everett. Make sure we're on the same page there. What channel? You can come over to my channel if you want to. Bread check. I'm streaming it live on my YouTube side. So if you want to come check me out over there, yeah. Yeah, the summit's already started. Love the bike rides. Free vacation rental the next time you're in Long Beach. Hit me up. Oh, dude, that'd be badass, man. Appreciate that. I definitely will. Kind of think about selling everything. I don't know, man. Jonah, when they find out we're all from Austin's channel. John, which casino do you do your parlays at? It all depends on where I'm at, dude. But yeah, the closest, the one that is easy because you can actually do it from your app is Emerald Queen. But you know, yeah, that's a pretty decent drive. Because there's only like 3 areas. There's in the area of like Greater Seattle. There's Snoqualmie, there's Muckleshoot, and then there's Emerald Queen. So, is it live right now? We're waiting right now. There's about 11,000 people waiting right now. I'm in Portland, live in the cardboard box. No way, dude. No way. Euro. Austin, you pronounce it Euro. Okay, Hero Euro. Okay, I'm messed up with that whole thing. Trump is talking. He's gonna dump. You think he's gonna dump? He's not gonna dump crypto. How does non-Bitcoin top 5 allocations look? Probably top cryptos for sure. Probably the top cryptos will be the ones. So yeah, we'll see. Even the Associate Press right now doesn't have. Let's see. There's so many people. There's so many cryptos like waiting for the. Even waiting for Bloomberg. Bloomberg's waiting. Fox is waiting. Everyone's waiting for Trump to speak right now. It's crazy. Everyone's waiting for Trump to come out and speak on this. It's crazy that we're spamming Austin, and it turned out to be a revenge. Darko, that's so funny. That was kind of wild, dude. Let's see, Trump gonna dump crypto. We'll see what happens, man. Markets usually tend to kind of be that way. Tulalip. Oh yeah, you go up to Tulalip side. That's a little too far north for me. Emerald Queen has taken so much money from me. Yes, people have been wearing out about the crypto summit. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I see you guys over here. I saw some earlier. Let's see. Is it going live over here? You guys are so funny, man. When you guys are spamming the hell out of that, it's cracked me up, dude. Buy the dip today. Let's see. XRP back at almost 249. It's hovering around 249 right now. Would Fox be here if Trump lost? Yeah, probably. I probably would. I don't know. Is it still? No, there's no Chaz. Washington State. Yeah, it's actually not. I mean, it depends on where you're at, dude. We know we live a little bit further. You know, we live on an acre and a half, so we don't live like in the downtown area, which is nice. Anybody know what time it starts? It should be here in about. We're hoping it comes on here pretty quick. Why isn't H bar available on Kraken? It hasn't been on there for. I don't think H bar has been on there. I'm waiting for Brad Garnhouse to speak. You think he's going to? I did not remember that space. No, I don't remember that. If he didn't make the announcement yesterday, he would be pumping right now. People are. Hey, you guys are funny, dude. Yeah, people are all waiting for Trump to speak right now. Let's see. Would you sell your XRP right now? Probably not. No. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there's not a lot of people watching right now. So let's see. I believe it was a good news that was coming out. This whole whales already we'd be purchasing. Yeah, you're probably right. If he actually signed the executive order today and everything came out today, it'd probably be a lot better. I would agree with you on that. What's up from Wenatchee? Hell yeah. Let's see here. It keeps telling me to buy. Austin, what are you talking about? Overcoming demons. It keeps telling me to buy. Oh, gotcha. So is it good now? Overcoming demons or what? Let's see here. All aboard. Please have your tickets on the hand roller coaster. What's up, Ghost? Good to see you, buddy. Open stream on the phone, computer. Delay sounds like Austin's talking to himself. Oh, you're saying there's a delay from the phone and the thing. Oh, gotcha. Is market manipulation? They wanted to suppress the hype? Maybe. I mean, XRP is still sitting at 248, so it's not too bad. You think main topic? All right, Selma. All right. Can you confirm it was you in Discord and told me they loved me? It was not me. I do love you though. Sell my ADA and buy moon pies. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Austin, you and XRP have one thing in common. You both belong in the moon. Well, the good thing is that XRP is sitting pretty strong right now, dude. Still, like and subscribe. Appreciate you, Seiko. Sell the news. It could very well happen. H-Bar, love you long time. You guys are crazy. Crack me up. Always cracking me up, dude. Yeah, it's definitely taken a while. To come on here. There's always a little bit of a delay. There's almost 13,000 people watching, which is pretty crazy. So many people watching right now. And dude, so what's even crazier is there's so much AI bots out there. Be careful, guys. There's so many channels out there right now that are streaming that are just AI bots. What's up, 808 Mimis? Just be careful. There's so much scamming going on right now. It's crazy. Wild dog. What's up, fam? What's up, Chadwick? Good to see you, man. Where the F is the like button? 15 more minutes for the gamblers to put their bets in. Yeah, you got the countdown coming. Any updates yet? We're still waiting. It's they said it should be coming live here at 12, but we'll see what happens here. The Associated Press obviously has it coming too. Even though I think they got kicked out. I think the AP got kicked out of the White House, but I'm seeing that they're on here for potentially coming live as well. But they have it as 12:15, so it'll be interesting to sort of see what happens here. Damn, my freaking nose. When can we spam the chat? Whenever you want, dude. That's so funny. There are like 10 Elons with 100. I know they got to be careful out there. There's so many of these like chats. You got to be careful. Where do you get it on? Fox News. You can come over to my YouTube channel if you like to. Just come up here, click on my YouTube channel if you like, and come over that way. It's on Fox News. Robinhood just cut me off. What do you mean they cut you off, Jenna? Is it on NBC? Good question. I don't know. We are taking off 248. We're almost back to 249 for this. All right, Mardrum. I lost 1,000 of soul on the Elon scam. Dang, dude. Oh, that makes my stomach hurt thinking about that. I'm done for the moment, pretty much all in. Fingers crossed. All right, cool cats. I need Coinbase pump today. I think a lot of people want that, right? Dump it. The reserves accept 150 million XRP from Brad. Do you think so? How fast people are going into buying and selling? Yeah. Hey, dude, people are trying to protect their profits, dude. Anyone on X is calling 60K. Also got them some shit. Yeah, no, whatever, bro. Whatever, dude. Austin, my bank account got hacked and they took all my money. There's no way, dude. Do you have any swing trades in at the moment? I do have some swing trades in at the moment. Yes, I got Lincoln, I got H bar in. Those are my two ones that I've been in. Fake Brad almost got you, dude. You gotta be careful with the fake Brad stuff, dude. Yes. Oh man, that's crazy. So I think we have about 4 minutes. I think they're saying 7:15. So we'll see what they say out here. We'll see what they say. No one's gone live yet. POTUS is always late to his meetings. Yeah, Crow's been a little rough. I got busy bees. Please read this. Awesome. So I can validate my happiness today. Well, hey man, if I can make you happy, where we go. NBC on YouTube has it as well. Okay. We'll see if they actually. Yeah, it looks like they have the news right now, but they haven't actually gone live. So we haven't gone live yet. Bloomberg TV. How do we know you are not an AI playing us? Probably because I'm reading your chat. What's up? Black Ranger Crypto? Long time no see, man. I've been through a bull run. I'm curious so badly. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. I'm with you on that one. What's your filter you use, bro? Fuller lips. Hey, why do you look better on your short video? What do you mean? You're funny. Do you buy gold or silver? I do not. I do not buy gold or silver. Yes. What Code Core just said. What price points are you swinging at the moment? You talking like where did I purchase at? I DCA'd into so many positions right now with it. I think with H bar I'm like a little over 20 cents, and then with Chainlink I'm like 13.9 I think is where I'm at Chainlink. So yeah, can you try your hand gesture fireworks? Now they don't do it anymore, dude. Like the love thing, like when I'd go like this and it would show the love thing, and they don't do that stuff anymore. Like when you go like two hands like this, yeah, they don't do that stuff anymore. I thought it was funny when they took that away. You think they will announce end of Ripple case? No, I don't think so. I don't think that's like the summit thing. His Coke button's broke. He needs his Coke beforehand. Bro, I got Chainlink at 20 cents. I shit you not. Oh, dude, that's awesome, Jonah. Get her on the channel, Austin. What kind of I use? I think I use Old Spice Swagger is what I use for my deodorant. See, I'll answer anything, guys. I don't care. I'm not afraid. Well, okay, I take that back. There are some things I won't answer. Trump hasn't made a statement yet. No, he hasn't, Michaela. Blink twice if Finn kidnapped you. Got my Starbucks. I'm ready. Me too. Cheers to you, Starbucks. We got our Starbucks ready. Swagger's the best. It is, dude. If Austin is chatting you, what makes you think Brad is? Oh my gosh, dude. Old Spice instantly on sub. Whatever. F Joe, you're probably what are you? Degree? You were in Degree? The summit will be on Fox News. Yeah, we're waiting for it right now. There's 13,000 people watching right now. Are you gonna show the summit? I'm gonna show on my YouTube side. 1970s, dude. Since you're answering questions, do you wear socks when you sleep like a maniac? When I was sick, I did, yeah, because my feet were freezing. But yeah, no, I don't wear socks when I sleep. But I did when I did have to put socks on when I was sick, when I had my fever, because like my feet were just freezing for some reason, which is weird to sleep with socks on. So oh yeah, about Columbia, yeah. What's up, Kai? No, only Travis. Only when, yeah, only when I was not feeling hot. When I had a fever. Take a drink if you need help. It should be here starting. I mean, we have it should be almost ready to rock and roll. So we're waiting right now. I think we're still waiting for it to go live. How many black hoodies do you have in the closet? 18. 18 black hoodies. So were you still cleaning up the mess or arguing with Elon in the cabinet today? Good question. I don't know. XRP to the moon. Do you do this full time, Austin? Yeah, I do. Not full. I mean, I do it for fun. It's like a hobby. I don't like. It's not like like I said. I do it for fun. Is it a good time to buy H bar? I like H bar. Yeah. It's definitely. And I mean, per the fib. The fib's saying it's in a buy zone. Yeah, Monty, I'm with you. It's kind of weird. Well, the good part is that I don't ever talk about the ups and the downs of it. I don't tell people to buy or when to sell. I don't say any of that kind of stuff. We talk about the news. We talk about crypto. We talk about where things are. So yeah. As far as the ups and the downs of it, that's for people to decide where they want to put it. But yeah, I just talk about my points, my entries. Where I'm at with crypto, and I share the news. So it's up to you. When did you buy this? Ooh, man, we haven't had one of these since I was sick as hell. Fan went to Costco and got me the immunity shot. Ugh, this one's different. It's pineapple turmeric. Can I hire someone to hack the channel and give out a free subscription? You're crazy, dude. Drink ginger tea makes your feet hot. Well, this one has turmeric and pineapple in it. And this tidy whities guy, you're crazy, dude. You are a regular frequency of our house. Austin, you demand. Lloyd Mitchell, I appreciate you, dude. Let's talk about your hair. It's always on point. Do you get it cut once a week? Twice. I get it cut every other week. Oh, here we go. Seiko wrote this. What? Okay, here we go.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh my gosh. Dude, they're having issues with it, really? Their feed is trash. This is it. Is this what is going on here? Oh my gosh, dude. Rest in peace. Do you see the comments over here? Dude, the comments are so bad right now. Oh my gosh, dude. 4K, A-team in the house. Dude, it's not even playing. Oh my gosh, dude. Come on, Fox News. Get your stuff together. Oh my gosh, dude. It's all frozen, dude. Bro, I heard the XRP. Dude, they literally just like went live and then the whole feed's like completely shut off. Not working. Everyone's like yelling now. Way to go. Way to blow it. Oh my gosh. It's an alien invasion, dude. All the sites are down right now, dude. They're not even playing it right now. Dude, that's so funny. Oh my god, dude. That's so funny, dude. Yeah, I don't know if what's being played right now. Oh, dude, this thing is totally what a joke. What a joke, dude. Yeah, their whole news feed is all messed up. I don't even know if he's live right now or not. Charles engaging DDoS check. I know, right? CNBC. I don't think the CNBC is the. I don't think that's the right one. I was looking at that. I think that's a previous play. That's a previous ran ad. I don't think it's. I don't think it's ready. He's not live yet. I think that a lot of it is. Let's see. I don't think he's live yet. Wow, they had a premiere. I know. Yeah, they're not live yet, dude. Just to give everyone a heads up, they're not. Trump's not talking yet. It's it got paused. I think it's an old feed. So yeah, I think it's an old feed. The institutions are not by. Yeah, not yet. Not yet. Yeah, rug pull. It's not on NBC, dude. Crash and burn. Yeah, it has a countdown to start in 10 minutes. Pre-recorded, staged. Oh man, that's kind of crazy how that just happened, right? I think it's intentional. It could be. Now the markets are going down. Oh man, I don't know. This. Well, that's actually way better than the previous one. Holy crap! It's actually not that bad. Austin, but pumps, do you think it's worth selling a portion of your bag to buy it when it dips? Yeah. I mean, you could do that. RSBM. Yeah, I saw that they were. I don't think it's not live yet on RSBM either. I was just looking at their feed right now too, and yeah, I think that they're stuck on screen too. Yeah, see, they're waiting as well. So, oh, here we go. It's definitely not live.
Well, thank you very much. We're going to be establishing a task force, a very important task force, White House, and that's on the FIFA World Cup of 2026, which, as you know, is a big event. It's going to be the biggest event, I think. And Johnny, I think you're going to say a few words. Everybody knows this man on the right. He's sort of the king of soccer, I guess, in a certain way. He was the one that
We're talking
was able
soccer.
to give it to us, and we're going to do a fantastic job in making you at home. So I would very much appreciate it. First time it's ever been in this part of the world, and it's an honor. Thank you very much, Johnny.
Thank you. Thank you, President. Thank you, President. Well, it is a great achievement to bring the World Cup next year, the FIFA World Cup in 26 here in the United States, together with Mexico and Canada. And this summer, actually, we have a new competition, the FIFA Club World Cup in 25, from the 14th of June to the 13th of July, only in the United States of America. 11 cities, 12 stadiums, the best players in the world, the best teams in the world. America will welcome the world. There will be millions of people coming, Mr. President, millions of people. The economic impact is 40 billion US dollars between now and next year. We will create 200,000 jobs for these two World Cups. And more than that, we will give joy and happiness to the entire world. And this is priceless, definitely. So thank you, Mr. President, for setting up this task force, because it is important that everyone that comes.
We set up a task force for crypto.
Feels safe, feels welcome.
Why is this happening again? I know.
The government puts together this White House task force chaired by the president himself. It shows the importance of the FIFA World Cups, I should say, because there are many, many topics to deal with, of course, and we want everyone who comes to America and who goes to watch one of these games. We have 10 million tickets for sale. It's like 3 Super Bowls every day for 1 month. That everyone that
3 Super Bowls every day for 1 month. We went from crypto to soccer real quick.
That
literally their title is Trump Speaks. You guys yell at me for clickbait. Go hit up Fox News for clickbait. It says watch live Trump Speaks at first ever White House Crypto Summit. We're talking soccer.
And we'll do it together, Mr. President.
Oh, that's great. I love
Clickbaited us.
3
Now I know how it
Super
feels.
Bowls a day for a month. That's what it is.
That's what it is.
That's really amazing when you think of it. I've never heard that expressed. That's a lot. When we made this, it was made during my first term. And it was so sad because I said, can you imagine I'm not going to be president? And that's too bad. And then what happened is they rigged the election and I became president. So that was a good thing. It was a good thing. It was quite a quite an achievement for both of us. So I'll be president during the World Cup and during the Olympics, which we were very instrumental in
Oh my
getting.
gosh,
And then,
bro.
of course,
Needs to stay.
we
We're
have
going
our
to the moon.
250th birthday too, and of that I wasn't instrumental. That just happened to fall on the same time. So we have those three big events. You don't get very much bigger than that: the Olympics, the World Cup, and number 250. And it's a great honor. But I appreciate your selecting us. And we were selected a long time ago, though, during my first term, and.
He's
It's
got an
honor to
executive
be
order
with
in front
you.
of him,
You've been my
so
friend for
My
a long
honor.
time.
Absolutely.
He's a great
Thank you so
gentleman.
much.
Okay, I'll sign this, and that makes it official, right?
That makes it official.
damn.
Yes.
That's good.
Here we are. Then we have to start working.
Can you talk a little bit about the halftime show that you anticipate for the championship? Will it be like the Super Bowl?
we're really going to talk about halftime shows. What the heck is going on?
Well,
This
you know,
can't
the
be
Super
real.
Bowl
This
has around
isn't
100
real.
million viewers or 150 million viewers. The World Cup final has 2 billion viewers. So we have to make it 20 times better and 20 times bigger
Oh my God, dude.
than the Super Bowl.
I think it'll be better. I think it will be better.
Any idea the economic impact of this in all these cities around the country? It's got to be huge.
Yeah, it's huge. It's around 40 billion.
So funny
in
watching
only
all
the
the
United
people in the
States, 40
chats,
billion
like,
US
being
dollars, the
pissed off,
economic
too.
impact, 200,000 jobs created.
No way, this is it, dude. Yeah, everyone's
so
screaming
per
it right
city
now.
you can divide
All
by
the
11,
channels,
and
even
you
the
know
Associated Press
a
is
little bit
streaming
what
this,
each city gets, more or less. Some cities get more, others get less. But we'll have 10 million tourists coming, some with tickets, others without tickets, who just want to be here during these World Cups.
What team is favored now, if there's such a thing? I mean, do they have a team like so many of these great famous teams? What team seems to be favored?
Well, on the club one, which takes place this year, of course, Real Madrid, Manchester City, Bayern Munich, the Germans, Paris Saint-Germain, the French. The big ones are always there, and these clubs are multinationals. They have players from all countries.
They always seem to be there.
They are always there.
Those great
They are
teams.
always there. Yeah. And then next year,
Travis.
Argentina, Brazil,
Right.
England, Germany, Spain.
You didn't say
Very
United
big.
States.
Any questions for Johnny?
US.
US is coming up. US is coming. Watch the US. Some.
Yeah,
very
now
good
you
players.
say it. All
They're
right,
playing in
all right,
Europe,
all
but we need
right.
to bring them back.
That
here.
was out of
Can
pity.
the
That was out
US
of
win?
pity.
The US can win, yes, with the public behind.
That's out of
See?
pity,
They're
dude.
playing, no, they're playing
knows
some of
what
the
to
top
say.
teams.
He knows.
Yeah. They're playing some of
So
the top
there's a
teams.
shot, right?
Yeah, there is a shot. Absolutely.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, dude.
We'll hold that up for you guys.
All right, let's move to crypto now. Thanks for the questions.
Brian, did you have another question?
Nope, he doesn't have no more questions.
Continues your pursuit to bring America back in every aspect, the economy, world peace.
Yeah.
Is it live? It's kind of live, I guess. Maybe there's a lag a little bit.
The Olympics, I know you talked about that before.
Austin just
Well,
ended
I'm
the stream.
just very
Just
happy
rug pull
to
everyone.
have done it. I mean, I didn't think this was going to happen. I said, I'll be sitting there, but not as president. So I was, very honored. Actually, Johnny reminded me, called me up very early on. He said, you're going to be president during this whole thing after we won. So it's a great honor for our country to have it, actually. It's a big deal.
Bobblehead with bro,
I
no
don't know
news.
which is bigger, the Olympics or the World Cup. What is the story on that? Can I ask you that
No,
question?
the World Cup is much bigger than the Olympics.
Of course he's going to say that.
And it's in the whole country. Huh?
Yeah,
The Olympics
we've
is
got them
massive.
both.
Mr. President, it's a long way off, Mr. President, but do you
We're in the Matrix. I'm so pissed.
some matches or a match?
Oh, yeah, sure. I would like to. I'd like to go to certainly more than one.
Yes.
We'll be making the rounds. It's a period of a month.
Yep.
And it's really top of the line. It's one of the great events, one of the great events of anywhere in the world.
Yes.
Mr. President, since you last spoke about it yesterday.
This is never live. They have just decided to run a filler, probably.
No clash. I was there. You're just a troublemaker. And you're not supposed to be asking that question because we're talking about the World Cup.
Are you really the last person to find out about the skip ads forever button?
Oh my God,
This
really?
is
You
Pi,
guys throw
and
an
if
ad
it
in
sounds
there?
familiar to you, it's probably
NBC.
Who has more authority, Elon Musk or the Cabinet Secretary?
Any other questions about the World Cup?
Can we unveil the trophy, maybe?
I'd love to do
Because this is something.
Oh my gosh, dude.
So today is 100 days to go for a new competition that we created.
We got so clickbaited. I don't even know whether to
The
turn it
FIFA
off or
Club
keep going.
World Cup, the best clubs in the world with the best players.
Why no
in the world.
premiums of streaming?
So we can show this is a unique trophy.
Damn, that's a big
This is
one.
the trophy, but it's not finished because it's unlike any other trophy. There is a key.
Oh, wow.
There is no other sports trophy like that.
Oh, that's, whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wait.
Wow.
Wow. That's one I haven't
And that's the trophy.
Got the key to the city now.
Something, huh?
We gotta win now.
This is a good one.
Oh my gosh, we went
Inter
from like
Miami and Seattle Sounders play.
Never seen it.
that does look sick. I would give that. That
It's a
does look
trophy of the
legit.
future.
Yeah.
It represents the past, the future.
At least it's
and
not
the
like
present.
it almost feels the same as
This
the
will be
last
at the White
time.
House for a little while.
Yes.
So if anybody needs a picture or anything, you can take it,
So-
but this is.
If you like it, Mr. President, it can stay here just on the 13th of July. You should take it
Yeah.
with me
Let's leave it here.
to the stadium.
He said,
to
"Let's
give it to
leave it
the
here."
winners. They can take a picture,
Well,
then we bring it back here after the picture.
Let's
He
do
said,
that.
"Let's leave it here."
We'll have it in the White House quite a bit.
Excellent.
It travels a little bit also, but I
Yeah.
appreciate it. That's good. And I know this. this
yeah, I
can
guess
definitely
switching it up,
stay,
right?
Anyway, thank you, Johnny,
fantastic.
very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Why don't
Thank
you
you so
follow up
much.
on the cabinet meeting, sir, just on the cabinet meeting, you said Musk will play an advisory role, Doge will play.
We're talking about FIFA. Thank you very much.
And
And they're both great guys. And by the way, they both get along fantastically well.
Oh man.
Marco has done unbelievably as Secretary of State, and Elon is a very unique guy. He's
Well,
done a
XRP is
fantastic
going up
job.
right now. It's going
Yeah.
back to 4,
Enough.
2, 4,
Enough. It's FIFA.
8, 8.
Is this a
Dude.
FIFA question?
How do you see the World Cup playing out with the tensions you have with Canada and Mexico?
Oh, I think it's going to make it more exciting. Tension's a good thing.
Even for the World Cup?
Yeah, I think so. I think it makes it much more exciting.
Oh my gosh, Trump's a savage for that.
The entire committee is here for FIFA with Johnny?
Please come
Would you
up.
like them to come up and take a picture?
Please, Johnny, come on.
Oh
Get
my
them up.
gosh.
That's great.
This is definitely not what I was expecting. I'm gonna be honest with you guys.
Enhanced security.
I was not expecting this to be
I'll let you,
Happening over the course of the next.
I'll let
Homeland
Christie
Security is
answer
running.
that question.
Oh, answer what question?
Go ahead. Security.
The security for this event will be run by the Department of Homeland Security. So we are signing today this document that will say that we will form task forces and partnerships. We'll have incident command centers in these 11 cities that will partner all the agencies and departments at the federal. We'll have some worldwide partners as well, as long
Global
as,
level.
yes, it'll be under our umbrella, and we'll help facilitate that, but also working with our local law enforcement is
I
incredibly
know.
powerful. So streamlining those communications, it'll be a wonderful event, and everybody will be safe and fun.
We better be,
Yeah,
right?
it will
And
be.
this is the official ball
Thank you very much.
with your name.
Thank you. Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice. I would give it to Christie, except it has my name on it.
What do you want?
We have another one for
Yeah,
it.
of course, of course.
We're in a simulation.
Thank you very much. Is that going to be the ball?
That's the
This
official
is the
match
ball
ball.
for this.
This will
for this
be what
trophy,
it
for this
will look
trophy.
like, the ball,
Yes,
when they play?
when they play.
Wow, that's
Yes.
great.
Yes, nobody has played yet. Has played yet.
That's great. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Johnny, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's supposed to be a crypto. It's supposed to be crypto, and now it's getting wild.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we got Lincoln. Lincoln.
to restore the federal funds, sir.
Thank you.
What did we just watch? I think they forgot that they're live streaming on Fox right now. Oh my god, what the hell did we just watch, dude? I got hacked. Oh my god, what just happened, dude? Austin trolled us, dude. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. This can't be real, right? This is not real, right? This is crazy. Oh my gosh, dude, what is this? I don't even know what to say. Except like what did we just watch? Oh man. Well, let's watch crypto then. Crypto actually hasn't moved a whole lot. Gosh, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm so disappointed. There's going to come back out There has to be another. I mean, awesome. I think it's a sign every time that happens. Yeah. What did I miss? What did he say, dude? We just talked about FIFA, dude. It's supposed to. It said everything is like crypto. He's gonna speak for the first time, and they talked about freaking FIFA, dude. What a joke. Now that's clickbait, dude. That's clickbait. Let's go back to that. That's clickbait. And then they just pulled the plug at the end, dude. They just straight pulled the plug. Oh my god. I'm not disappointed. No. I'm not disappointed with the FIFA thing. I'm disappointed that they said it's supposed to be a, you know, we're supposed to be talking crypto here. And so doing it wrong. I love the FIFA thing. Love the FIFA thing. Like, I just want to get down to brass tacks. Let's start talking about the crypto like we all thought it was going to. And I just can't believe that they straight rug pulled us like that. That is crazy, dude. They do it over and over. Yeah, it's pretty wild, dude. It's pretty damn wild. I will admit that. Gosh, dude, that's crazy. They really played that out, didn't they? They got 13 million people to watch that. Oh my gosh. They got 13 million people to watch that. That's crazy. All right. Paul, thanks so much for the $2 super chat here. AP said 4 o'clock. Yeah, they're saying 1 o'clock now. It was, they keep moving the time frames around. So kind of wild. The world's a stage. Yeah, I would agree with that 100%. So thanks so much for the $2 super chat there. And then Emu said, thanks so much for the super chat as well. You said, what the F? And then we have Kira out here. Thanks so much for the $5 super chat. We getting topic rug pulled first Melania. I know. And then we have Sooner over here. Thanks so much for the 199 super chat. 2025, and they're still struggling to do basic streaming. It kind of feels that way, right? The basic streaming of it all kind of still feels pretty ghetto. That's pretty wild, dude. Is it still live on NBC News? Him talking about crypto? It says live on NBC News. Him talking about crypto coming up. Yeah, I don't think the NBC News. I don't think that's actually. I think that's an old feed. NBC News. I don't think that's actually him talking. Let's see. Trump host first. Yeah, so there looks like there's 11,000 people waiting for that one. But NBC, I don't know if I'm going to stream NBC. NBC's they're finicky with their stuff, dude. They changed the title to FIFA. Dude, what a bunch of jerks, dude. What a bunch of jerks. That's so ridiculous, dude. Yeah, they did, right? Trump signs executive order establishing task force. What a bunch of chumps. That's clickbait. Gosh dang. That is some clickbait right there. Gosh. Jose, thanks so much for the $2 super chat too. I lost brain cells after that. You're like, dude, this is some wild stuff right here. All right, let's get back to some crypto here. As you can see, XRP is coming down to 2.4. It's dumping now. XRP is coming down hot now. This was sustaining until that event happened. Look at this, 244.95. So yeah, crypto's coming down a little hot now. HBAR's coming down. Yeah, we're definitely coming down now. So we'll see if we get back down to the 0.5 level here. But yeah, crypto's coming down pretty hot all of a sudden. Scam, it's dumping now. Yeah, it's coming down hot. How many people sat around and did nothing all day waiting for that? Me. Come on, 150. Yeah, it's gonna come down hot. Wow, the floor is dropping on XRP. It is. It's coming down right now. 245. 245.08 is where it's at. So we'll see where this goes. 225 is kind of like where I'm at right now. 225. They consolidated before the buy. This was worse than a Tyson fight. AP channel in 21 minutes. That's what it's saying, dude. This is worse than it was bad. Then we didn't have any white monster drink stories. No white monster drink stories. Maybe I'll go get a monster drink story today, and maybe I'll go get a monster today, and we'll see if I can create another story for you guys. Watching that gave me a stage 4 cancer sooner. I hope not, bud. Thank you so much for the $2 super chat here. We got Emu coming in hot with another $2 super chat. He hasn't talked. Oh crap, where'd that go? He hasn't talked at the summer yet. He's behind. Yeah, I don't think he's talked yet at the summit. You're right. I don't think he has. And I think that's where the AP press The AP press came out and has a separate right here. So they created a new one here just to let you guys know. Trump speaks, then now they created a whole new one right here. So what a bunch of chumps, dude. What a chump. Oh man, Fox News. We just literally got played. We just got played, dude. Got absolutely played. I'm giving you a thumbs down. Someone talk probably only after market closes. It looks like at 1 o'clock is when the market closes. Bring up RCN. They are awaiting the Trump at the summit. Yeah, I could bring them up too, but they do too many ads, dude. That's why I had and they're loud. So that's why I stopped. I didn't do it. There's a new stream. I saw that. Yeah, it's live, dude. Not yet. Not yet. It's live on MSNBC. I don't think MSNBC. Oops, MSNBC. Okay, let's watch. I can see MSNBC totally just let me get the I can see them totally flagging the channel, just to let you guys know. There's all the people at the table. Let me stop. All right. There's everyone just sitting around the table. You got everyone in here. I mean, you got Michael Saylor, you got Brian Armstrong, Sachs. There's what's his name? I can't think of his name. Something Homer. Good to see Michael Saylor right there, though. Yeah, this will be interesting to see. I guess we'll watch it out. We'll see if MSNBC usually flags the channel. Go to NBC News if you feel if they're gonna flag, they'll flag it. So it is what it is. NBC. Let's see here. Yeah, we're good right here. I think it's good right here. NBC. There we go. They're all just waiting around now. There's Brad Garland House. Oh, now they're streaming. Yeah, so there's the Gemini brothers. They own Gemini. Oh, same as NBC. NBC and MSNBC are the same company. Finisher McDonald's. That does suck for Charles, dude. Imagine him sitting there looking and going, man, great pick on Forbes' beautiful reception clarity. Yeah, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Yeah, it's looking pretty good now. Starting to pick back up. Yeah, thanks so much for the super chat. MSU won't flag their happy vote of you. Yeah, we'll see what happens, dude. A lot of these channels are pretty quick about doing that. What are you waiting for? Appetizer? Something. Oh, they do have the FIFA. That is the FIFA trophy right there. What's everyone picking up right now? Looks like they're just sitting there drinking water, waiting. Charles Hawkinson, he's rolling over right now, just like totally pissed off. That's so funny.
Ladies and gentlemen,
here we go.
The President of the United States.
Here we go. The President of the United States. That's the FIFA trophy. Here we go. Get ready. XRP's back to 248. No more soccer. Here we go.
Thank you very much, everyone. Great honor to have you. I know you've all been working very hard and very successfully.
You got to change the audio.
It's a wonderful place, the White House. I want to begin. Is Johnny here from World Cup? I want to thank you for the selection. And they just had a presentation in the Oval Office, and I thought this was such a beautiful, this is the trophy. This is a big deal. The World Cup is the biggest sporting event. And Johnny Infantino is my friend for a long time. And during my first term, we worked out a deal to get the World Cup. And then because of lots of interesting things that happened, I ended up being president when it showed up. I was always disappointed. I wasn't going to make it. I was going to serve 8 straight, and said we did it the hard way, but maybe the more important way. So I will be with you as president, Johnny. So maybe you could just
XRP's pumping.
Say a few words and show how beautiful the World Cup trophy is. Thank you. Yeah, sure, please.
Crypto markets are running, starting to go up.
This is
Yeah,
the famous key.
that's a great key.
You want to open it, President? Or shall
Well, you go ahead.
I go ahead? Okay.
I trust you.
So this is the new trophy of a new competition.
Oh my God, FIFA. Only Austin can talk soccer on his screen.
With the absolutely best players.
Yes, only I can talk soccer on here because that's when we pump. So we're seeing if we can pump. Thanks so much for the $2 super chat. Appreciate that.
On the 14th of June,
Right.
obviously in Miami, final on the 13th of July this year in New York, New Jersey. And it's not that, it's also special because it's a key and because, as you can see, if I manage to do that,
You got to touch it with
it's a bit tricky.
can't leave fingerprints on it, dude. Smoky Buds, it's so funny. They did do Brad dirty. I would agree.
So this is a trophy.
Totally did Brad dirty with that.
Which represents, and that's why I think it's interesting to show.
You see Michael Saylor over here taking a photo.
Because it represents the past, but it's also projected to the future. There is no other sports trophy which looks like that.
No other sports
Has
trophy like
engraved
that.
the history of the game, of soccer or football as we call it. The participating teams of the
I'm with you,
first
TJ.
edition,
Soccer is bullish. Amen to that.
Stadiums, beautiful stadiums in 11 cities in.
I can't even understand what he's saying.
Where this competition will take place. So at the same time, past, present, and projected to the future. And if I may, President, say another 2 words, and then I let you work.
Yeah, you can come over to Linda. You can come over to my YouTube and watch it over here on YouTube if you want. It's going to get better quality. The guy talking in the background.
The World Cup and the great work done, but also for this initiative that you are speaking about here. If I may add something in this respect, I'm not an expert at all, but FIFA, as you know, is a brand which is globally known, a very strong brand. The soccer economy in the world is worth around 270 billion a year. 70% of that present is in Europe. So imagine the potential that there is around the world.
FIFA buys, like FIFA's buying XRP.
If we develop it. And so FIFA is very, very interested under my presidency to develop a FIFA coin, to do it from here, from America, and to conquer the 5
Soccer coming? Yeah. The FIFA's coming.
So if there's anyone here who is interested to...
Jonah, thanks again so much for what DJ T says. All right, so I'll pull the rug.
The United States of America, and we will conquer
That's
the world
funny,
of
dude.
soccer with the FIFA coin. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That coin,
Everybody but Trump sitting bored waiting
that
for the
coin
pump.
may be worth more than FIFA in the end. It could be quite a coin, actually. Huh? Anyway, thank you, Johnny. Great job. I just thought you should see this trophy because it's really, it's the biggest
Just showed everyone
sporting event
I
in
was
the
like,
world.
dude, hey, we're going to talk crypto,
We
bro.
have it
Let's
here.
show you this badass
And
trophy.
we appreciate being selected. Thank you very much. You do a fantastic job. And welcome to the first ever White House Digital Assets Summit. I know that many of you have been fighting for years for this, and it's an honor to be with you at the White House. I want to thank the White House AI and crypto czar David Sachs, Treasury Secretary. This is David right here, in case you don't know. You know David. And the man who's doing a great job as Secretary of Treasury, Scott Bessent, who's right here. Scott, thank you very much. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, wherever you may be, Howard. Hi, Howard. He's doing some interesting work right now with all that's going on. He's right in the middle of it and doing a great job. Thank you. SBA Administrator Kelly Loeffler. And thank you. SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce. Thank you, Hester. Acting CFTC Chairman Caroline Pham.
Are we going to go through everyone?
House Majority Whip Tom Emmer. Well, hello, Tom.
Emerson.
Representative Brian Stile. Thank you. Brian, thank you very much. Digital Assets Council Director Bo Hines. Good, Bo. Great job.
250, yeah.
And many other distinguished guests. We have a lot of very distinguished people around the table. Some of them will be speaking. I want to thank Marco Rubio also, who's right over there. And we have tremendous people very interested in this subject. And last year, I promised to make America the Bitcoin superpower of the world and the crypto capital of the planet. And we're taking historic action to deliver on that promise, as you know, around the table. Yesterday, I signed an executive order officially creating our strategic Bitcoin reserve. And this will be a virtual Fort Knox for digital gold to be housed within the United States Treasury. That's a big thing.
Yeah, Charles is swimming.
The federal government is already among the largest holders of Bitcoin, as you know. Really one of the largest holders in the world, with as many as 200,000 Bitcoin obtained via civil law and various other forms of law, including enforcement actions. These existing holdings will form the foundation of the new reserve. Unfortunately, in recent years, the U.S. government has foolishly sold tens of thousands of additional Bitcoin that were worth billions and billions of dollars had they not sold them, but they did sell them, mostly during the Biden administration.
250, almost 253.
Not a good thing to have done. From this day on, America will follow the rule that every Bitcoin knows very well: never sell your Bitcoin. That's a little phrase that they have. I don't know if that's right or not. Who the hell knows?
He says, never sell your Bitcoin. I don't know if that's right.
Who knows? Who knows? But so far, it's been right. And well, let's keep it that way. The Treasury and Commerce departments will also explore new pathways to accumulate additional Bitcoin holdings for the reserve, provided it's done at no cost to the taxpayers. We don't want any cost to the taxpayers. In addition, my order directs federal agencies to conduct an inventory of all crypto assets currently held by the U.S. government and determine how they can be transferred easily to the Treasury. Non-Bitcoin digital assets will be held in a new U.S. digital asset stockpile where they will be managed properly. My administration also is working to end the federal bureaucracy's war on crypto, which was really going on pretty wildly during Biden until the election came about. About 5 months before the election, he became a big fan because he heard how many people were in favor of it and how many people love it and respect it. But I guess it didn't work out too well for him. People understood what was going on and paved the way for groundbreaking innovations in institutional finance. Under the Bitcoin administration, regulators strong-armed banks. I mean, they really did. They strong-armed banks into closing the accounts of crypto businesses and entrepreneurs, effectively blocking some money transfers to and from exchanges, and they weaponized government against the entire industry. But I know that feeling also. Maybe better than you do. All of that will soon be over, and we are ending Operation Choke Point 2.0.
Damn. Operation Choke Point. Just the XRP.
You know, some people really suffered. It was ridiculous what they were doing. But in the end, they came around, but they came around for the wrong reasons. They came around only because they wanted votes. And they saw that tens of millions of people were against them because of what they were doing. I also want to express my strong support for the efforts of lawmakers in Congress as they work on bills to provide regulatory certainty for dollar-backed stablecoins and the digital assets market. They're working very hard on that. This is a tremendous opportunity for economic growth and innovation in our financial sector, and will really go a long way. I think it's going to be a tremendous, we feel like pioneers in a way, tremendous method of growth. And things are very much tied, and we want to keep it that way, the US dollar, long into the future. We're going to keep it that way. I hope lawmakers will send that legislation to my desk before August recess if they can. And they're very much working with you, and you know a lot of them, and a lot of them were committed right from the very beginning. So I just want to congratulate you all for being at the White House today, and a man who knows more about Bitcoin and AI and just about everything else than anybody, David Saxon. I'd like to have you say a few words, David.
Thank you, Mr. President. We're all here today because of your leadership, your vision, your generosity, and I really want to thank you for that. We're also here because of your desire to make America great and to introduce a golden age in America, including for digital assets. And we're here because of your love of innovators, or as you might say, high IQ people. We know you love high IQ people. And we have about 30 of them here in the room today. These are the top people in the digital
Damn,
asset.
Charles isn't there.
And one other thing
took a shot at Charles.
that you love is legal fairness. This is an industry that was subjected to prosecution and persecution for the last 4 years, horrible lawfare, and nobody knows what that feels like better than you do. So we really appreciate the fact that you understand legal fairness and that you're always willing to fight for the right thing, for legal fairness. You never back down. You stand defiant, even in the face of an assassin's bullet. It's an inspiration to everyone in this room, I think. So it's an honor.
Yeah, markets are jumping. They're coming down a little high. There's some volatility right now with the market.
So I just want to say it's an honor to work for you. It's an honor to work for a president who works every day to get so much done on behalf of the American people. Your administration is moving at tech speed. It's really amazing. It's actually faster than any startup that I've been part of. Is that your administration moves even faster. So I just want to say thank you for having me be a part of it. I've enjoyed every minute of it. I love working for you. And thank you again for this opportunity.
Thank you, David. Very much. Appreciate it.
And now I just want to pass the ball to Secretary Besson.
Scott?
He wasn't ready.
So today, when President Trump has signed the executive order to establish the strategic Bitcoin reserve and stockpile, we're going to position the United States as a leader among nations in the digital asset strategy. It's important for the United States to recognize this fact and get ahead of the other nations in the digital age. We applaud the president's direction to use the digital assets already in possession of the nation, and we are going to establish this Bitcoin reserve. We use this authority to augment the asset side of the United States balance sheet. As I've said many times, President Trump is creating assets for the American people, while most past presidents have created debt. And a large part of this asset program can be in digital assets. We are going to end the regulatory weaponization against digital assets. The Biden administration's actions did nothing other than punish innovators. And that all of you have made it here today is really a testament to your fortitude. Much of Treasury's responsibility in this order relates to the tax code and determinations around risk weightings. And I'm here to assure you that we are going to work with the controller of the currency, the IRS, and we're going to rescind and amend all applicable previous guidance. And we are going to put a lot of thought into the stablecoin regime. And as President Trump has directed, we are going to keep the U.S. the dominant reserve currency in the world, and we will use stablecoins to do that. Thank you.
Technology is at the foundation of the Trump presidency. He understands technology, he embraces technology, and he's going to use technology to drive America forward. The blockchain and Bitcoin technology are a key part of that thinking and embracing that. And here today shows how much a leader the Trump administration and our president is. He understands it. He embraces it. As you said, you're a pioneer in this place. And this is where we're going. We're using the blockchain. We're using Bitcoin. We're going to use digital assets to pound forward. And Donald Trump is leading the way. Can't be more proud of you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Go ahead, please.
Thank you, Mr. President. This is truly a historic day. And as a crypto founder, I couldn't be more proud to be part of your administration. You're moving at the speed of tech for sure. And I will just say it's a great day to have the war on not just crypto, but the war on innovation done. And under your administration, we are truly going to enter into the golden age. And I'll just say, as the administrator of the SBA, small business is a tremendous network that crypto can be deployed against. And so the SBA is open to crypto. So I look forward to working with all of the leaders in this room to advance your efforts here. Thank you.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you very much. Tom, please.
Well, Mr. President, I want to say thank you. I want to thank you for the amazing team that you put together. I want to thank you for David. I mean, this kind of a meeting, no one in this room could have envisioned this just a couple of years ago. You are the one that has the vision. You're the one that said, we are going to do 21st century finance right here in the United States of America. I've been doing this for 9 years. It is amazing how far we've come, and that's a credit to you, Mr. President, and your leadership, and God bless you for doing this, because it's going to make a huge difference with everything else you're doing. And by the way, Americans love it. They're going crazy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Go ahead, please.
Does anyone want to say a couple of words?
Well, Michael.
Tyler, do you want
we got Brian Armstrong.
I think you said something earlier that I thought was really profound. You said that a year ago, you thought it would be more likely that you'd end up in jail than at the White House. Not to put you on the spot, because you didn't do anything wrong, but that was the environment a year ago. But do you guys want to say something? Either one.
Sure. That was actually Tyler who said that. but
sorry, I still get mixed up.
But yeah, we never thought that we'd get attacked the way we did in our backyard after trying to do the right thing for so many years.
These are the Gemini
bar with respect to regulations. So it's really wonderful to see how things have changed and how the pendulum has swung back in the way that it has. And we've always felt that the U.S. should lead in Bitcoin and crypto, and it's ours to sort of lead and win. And it's just wonderful what President Trump has been doing with this, and we look forward to working together. And thanks for inviting us, David, and setting us up.
Thank you. Thank you both. Please.
I was just going to say thank you, Mr. President. Cameron takes credit for a lot of my things I say, so it's not the first time. But the U.S. won the internet, and the U.S. should win crypto. So thank you for your leadership on this.
Thank you both very much. High IQ individuals around this table. That's what I always say. We need high IQ. So
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Would anybody like to say anything? Please.
I just want to express my deep gratitude for the seriousness with which you're approaching our industry and how you're actually helping guide it in the right direction. I work with many central banks in other countries, and when I was working there, I was wondering why I, as an American citizen, can't help the United States financial system reach this higher level that the world is on course towards generally. And so I'm very grateful that finally there's been a new level of kind of common sense and adoption of these ideas.
Where's Brad? Brad,
Me and other people in this room do believe that the crypto, blockchain, Web3 infrastructure is the next iteration of the financial system. And I think that the U.S. should have its leadership position continue in that new financial system. And I'm very, very happy to see people like David Sachs, Secretary Bessent, Secretary Lutnick taking this very seriously with their time, and very grateful them too. So I'm just overjoyed to see this. And I think it is a big part of how the U.S. can continue its role in the global financial system. So thank you.
Thank you very much. I thought it was very important that we stay in the front of this one. This is a big one. And as you know, China is
Definitely.
pushing forward and very strongly as usual, but we're way in the lead as we are in AI and other things, and we want to stay there. So I thought this was very important, and we have some brilliant people sitting around this table. And it's an honor to have you involved, but we want to stay
Yeah, I
at the
like
forefront
Coinbase. I like
of
Coinbase.
everything. And this is
It is
a
on
very
TV,
important
yeah.
day in your lives. I know you worked, some of you, very long before people really understood what was happening. And so I congratulate you, but this is a big day. Being in the White House is a big deal, and you have great support. Thank you all very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Chris. Thank you very much. Thank you, media. Thank you. Please.
Oh, man. Here comes the questions. Oh, man, we got rug pulled now. Way to go, MSNBC. Oh, my gosh, dude. Really? What is up with these streams getting rugged today, dude? Oh, my gosh. It's like completely got rugged. Oh, dude. You can't make this stuff up today, dude. You just can't make this stuff up today. Oh, man. What a joke. All right. Well, there it is, man. I don't know what to say other than, I mean, just kind of crazy. Look at it, got rug pulled again. This is like, I don't even know what to say. I'm like literally at a loss for words at how like poor this was altogether. Like, expectation level was high, and I kind of just came down just massively. And I think XRP's price is definitely reflecting that at 240 right now. So, man, oh man, not only is it like this stream is concluded. Look at that, they are done. They just concluded the stream. They weren't even there to ask the questions. They just like literally cut off. They had 50,000 viewers watching, and they just cut off. Like, and then on top of that, you see the whole cryptocurrency market now just literally tumbling down. Oh man. Dude. All right, was that what you guys expected? I don't know what I was expecting. I guess I was expecting something different. Maybe some different news, some different stuff. Yeah, I guess I had a different expectation there. So bad, did I miss it? Yeah, there wasn't a lot. It was a big giant nothing burger. It was cool to see them up there talking about crypto and the innovation of crypto and where we want to be. But I mean, for the most part, there was nothing that really gave us anything of like what we should anticipate, what we should look forward to. So yeah, we'll have to, every time we get sort of excited about something, it kind of is a little bit of a letdown. I will admit that. I mean, it's cool that we're going to have some reserves out here. It's cool that we're actually starting a strategic reserve. Like that's all great news. But as far as altcoins and all that stuff goes, that's kind of a little bit of a letdown. So I will be honest with you on that. We're never going back up. No, we will, dude. It's going to be, I'm going to stay positive. I just say like these briefings and these summits and like all this exciting stuff that everyone keeps talking about here. It's all just a cat and mouse game. All this is Trump asked the media to leave the room. Oh, did he? Okay, well maybe they're talking some more. You know what I mean? I did want to say right here, Inca, thanks so much for the $10 super chat. Hey, it reminds me of the gold telephone scene in The Godfather. I was reading that. It's pretty funny. Smoking Bud, thanks so much for the $5 super chat here. I don't think we're getting a 0% capital gains today. Yeah, that's obviously didn't happen. So I think a lot of people were sort of hoping for that. That didn't happen. And again, thanks so much for the $5 super chat here. I just saw Satoshi under the tablecloth. I was reading that. I was cracking up when I was reading that. So yeah, thank you so much for the super chats. Patience is the key. Yeah, when in doubt, zoom out. You'll see that we've done actually really, really well. But overall, it is kind of a letdown. I think I think a lot of people were expecting some different stuff for sure. So yeah, it's Brad. Trump is trying to pump the crypto markets while he's cashed out. We're all getting under $2 coming. No, I don't think under $2. Going to start some longs. CNBC still live. Did they end up going back on for CNBC? CNBC. Did they end up cutting back into it? Let's see here. I'm not seeing it right now on CNBC. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, did they end up going back in live? Let's see. I don't know if they are live on CNBC. I was hoping that they were going to actually take questions. And for some reason, they actually didn't take any questions. So that was kind of lame, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's still a green screen. You can see they're still blocked out. So yeah, kind of crazy. You can see social media is not taking too kind to it as well. Trump administration to rescind and amend all previous IRS crypto guidance. That's the good part that came from it. So there's some positive things here, but for the most part, I think it was kind of a letdown. I didn't. So all this wait was for that. That was a long wait for really nothing. I'm going to be honest. That was kind of nothing. So. Just continue to DCA and stay positive. Stay positive. Things are gonna be just fine, dude. That's all I gotta say. Stay positive. No positives. I'm gonna say stay positive. All for show. Kind of feels that way. Just kissing the ring. They all kind of were. That was a joke. Yeah, a lot of people are disappointed right now. I think across the board, I could probably say, reading everyone's chats here across the board, that everyone's pretty disappointed. What just happened? Yeah, I think a lot of people were feeling the same thing. What just happened? So it was on the White House YouTube channel, but it's done now. Okay, our expectations were too high. That's probably true. Yeah, expectations get a little high, without a doubt, dude. Without a doubt. So, but all right, I've been on here for over 3 hours, dude. I got to. I'm gonna hop off here. That was not what I expected. I don't mean to leave on a bad note, but yeah, that's kind of like a little bit of a drag. So a little sad. But it is what it is. I'll try to come back on here later tonight. We'll see what the markets do. I don't have soccer tonight, so I'll probably come back on and we'll see. Hopefully the markets make a nice little rally back out of this. So I will be back on here tonight, probably around 6:30, 7 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you guys want to come hang out again, I'll definitely be here. And I do appreciate everyone coming and kicking it with me today to watch this show, even though it wasn't what we wanted, but it is what it is. So again, appreciate everyone who donated or super chatted the channel, who are now members of the channel, who hung out all day. And like I said, I do appreciate you guys a ton, and we'll see you guys potentially later tonight. So with all that, love you guys. We're out. Peace out, everyone.